Mwachibiem Samuel Kwaba do Badum TV Badwam so Jumade na shase 5:30 na yedonyo musa dru Kasie Breeze samno do so ne to dwa mu bi ya obeti ene Ministry of Health and National Health Authority mpanifo de kokobo ma hospital facilities no se wo munyai charges no a enimu se wo se wormo ege ne de sansam no ebebane sambi yarahosam ene de browse Adom TV Badwam Kasie wo share live ewo Facebook/Adom TV Extra Go TV 119 DSTV 280 uko YouTube search Adom TV 2 na kwa adomonline.com semi ene nsama foforo bi ewo ho media fia amankwa tamaklo afia ni de mientie se den nsam ni chemo ankasa etie Asuye shopum din ensem so ene asuye a wonomo ehwensi achiba so mekire National Health Insurance Authority de kokobai mu din ene ma pomodin atena ya hodo no a eni hu kwan se wo moje obi sika wo no obi hu nso be wi akire wonomo je so wonche wo hu firi mu ntesa woni won e obi ka
Health insurance not say bebree wo ho National Health Insurance baako na yakato ndi aban twasika ni binu akodi mienu na yenten ntua nti obeti na sie ntua yaka wo de wayi be kwani sie ntua miensa yes tariffs ne kra no anya realistic tariffs na ebiem so eye co-payment de kai illegal payment a ko hospital wo card ne kwa si twiska nti yakokwa daroma yetimi asolve problems no and 9 year betu ye no nyame daroma less than 1 year in 10 months asolve miensa akaba aka co-payment no eno so say executive CEO ne kai no edini magu akwan mu a eno so ye tackle eno no de metimi aka chiro say hospital bia health center bia and chip compound bia amoye sa no mesre won omunyai because we are coming after them
Nina kahu ya yehwe there were audit clinical audit team a omko health facilities a omko hwe zani amani na minka asemba ko sometimes maybe you be focus on omoye nyama enye so health facilities be over omo hwa yare for omoye djuma pa nia since I'm taking over na tukanya ko 11 regions are coming 5 regions na me really the whole of that facilities need to be very now a few of them were almost yes humanity clinical audit teams also yes my you say who you be this send America and branding be
Arahosam Kasie pa na siye wo Kumasi Santase Mpotemo ho wo China City Mall Kasie niema womu ni nyina hwedwerebe ahia mabibia ba fom de koso wo ho eni
fa tender no ba enye tanka no waka say the whole fa tender no nsuo ni wo baby nsuo wo phone compound eyiwo equipment column wo nti obegina na so o use na by 5 minutes 6 minutes so na asa eso sako nti yankai wo hydrant e wo sako main road iso e na say unhia tender o connecting hoses no na o fighting
actually jani e shase from mo no it's na neighbor so around 3:30 na jano enya bedu omu na na ashase nchiro no ma eba enti o ben building na o say enyoma ebo asin say bia cylinder bia na say bisa o tumi say ebo pa but you try say ka you free offense fire service me institutions na wo me in charge of some you say omo na ko be boa you friend so ampa omo de osie oyo omo timi buy in less than 20 minutes na be 4-5 days.
Investigations the investigations never my no ebe my hu anamuntu a yebetu a ye de besiaro nti the ebe say ya direct the regional fire department say omunye investigations na yentimi nya investigation abekwa omugusu edumja no nti say the ye pa say ye pese e breja na say ye dumja ne wi a investigations ne be chere the see na afia hwede be
Yanto so na wenso adankura du ya police officer ahanie konongo agric junction ho so jana tomash no de koso wo ho yenima de ko agric jana baye de adehye ka eni anopai
Me sorry be no siata na me breka ho. And every time say me free fie ho. When I say ja to fie ho.
The obeti preoccupation will be free ho.
Aye.
Na de na ijana shase na say.
Na say ntibra me ti see na madam hu say jana idare wo fie ho nyina. Ni ba bebre na ti ho. Na so nyame ade bo bia ho anka. Owura me ne ma de ni nyina, me ne ma de ba wiase a me nchance, me ntuma, me bibia me pa ho do me ni ofio ni nyina, ho ni friji ba me nsa ni nyina ahye.
Enriching posting ni bien netwetwe nkoma wo kire say friend no Kobi enso edinsem say ene to amane boni no enim.
Since the rooms no be 10 at this moment. They are more occupied right now need them. Very safe for now. Properties in there. In nature a bit my family room there down.
Na say odori kaka course no betimi abe aye electrical na say cylinder na.
True fire for no 1 or 2 be mudum jan. I think say most of the rooms near our cylinder. I think say that's the main factor my jano here sir.
Maentwa so na ministry one more producer price determination committee share National Food Buffer Stock Company say the paddy rice no 5 Ghana cedi per kilo into the kokobo ma one no say ni hu kwan say ye to ebrosa je say the one man kasa de abadwa so no emu nsem ni.
Different sectors of the country. There's the coastal, water and coastal belts. There's the Ashanti and middle belts. And then there's the northern enclave. All these belts have active farmers. So the plan is to make sure whatever intervention government is seeking to roll out targets these smallholder farmers or generally household farmers who are able to have the direct benefit of selling their produce. The construct before was we had prices for all these grains. We didn't have a price for paddy rice. Now the biggest threat is that in the Fumbisi and then the northern belts, farmers have produced a lot of rice and there's glut. These farmers are appealing or have appealed to government to come and mop up. On the basis of that cry, the minister asked the Producer Price Determination Committee of NAFCO to quickly assemble and determine the price for paddy rice. I'm happy to announce that following extensive deliberations by the committee has recommended paddy rice price per kilo at 5 cedis per kilo. What that means is that this would be a floor price to the farmer. That is to say that no aggregator, if he's working for NAFCO or for the government of Ghana, would be allowed to buy paddy rice below 5 cedis per kilo. These measures that we face today is a 60-year problem. The situation of glut just didn't start overnight. We need to tackle the bull by its horn and take proactive and progressive measures to address it permanently. Government has demonstrated commitment and will. If you add the second tranche so proposed, that brings it to 200 million cedis. We are very optimistic that as we mop up the excess grains on the market, government would commit more resources so that our farmers and their livelihoods can be sustained and improved. The ultimate goal is to be able to have at least more than 10% of our national.
Yeah, it was so the other NDC cadets, one more vice president, and also PSA. I can see so do be more so won't say Kowonchi, na said no one a general party no, and Kabomo any see no. One more so a dear Jumane. Now watch that the ma can first lady Nana Kunidu Ajama Rollins, and all this semi to Jaya Maniboni Prince who says Sedu etwase
Amani boy me amede bra on medin e de prince owusu esiedu Adom News.
Facha yen papa yen kase ahodo mu no ye behwe na ye de abro na kane aban adwumayefo bi ene woyerenom nanei court ama won mu bill 950 million Ghana cedis e wo court bienu bi e won kran ha ni nyina ne se wo mabo man yi eka.
Looking at the circumstances of the matter, and we are required to comply. She has extended the bail to my client in the sum of 100 million for her and in the sum of 50 million for the wife. It is now incumbent on us to organize ourselves and see how we can meet the bail conditions in the circumstances so they could come from home to face their trial anytime the court is ready. We are grateful that the court extended its magnanimity to us and granted us bail in that sum. It is, as I said, it is incumbent on us to see how we can put together our acts and meet the bail requirement. But we are grateful to the court that it did grant us bail. Well, I would not be able to preliminary comment on whether or not it's manifestly excessive or it is not. Until we are able to meet it or not able to meet it, then we will go back to the Honorable Court and then indicate whatever it is. But for now, bail has been granted. It is the conditions we are required to meet, and we would try to meet same to secure their temporary reprieve pending the trial.
Yenye no so na Adom TV Badwam kase na ha na brema kwan na no pay ye de sie ye da semre ne adaje awunya de ma yenti odaro ma fe ne ye to so bie mu na ye de agodie mu nsem de obonkrata Adom online ne health tips no so to so nti odaro ma free he na ebre no so a phone lines ne be bie de atum na so de aba na otwemu nyinara one ya nti ye da mo ase papa ne ade radi ase ene 31st October Nadom. Mr. Yema Refino. Fasedama no nkoso anhwe so. Koso amo ho ban. Ti yeda na se team Badwam de. Intime fanase de nida. Wo hwanuma ye de memma mo ano a. Aha, ahun se aseda no a ne de mo kese. Yi daughters for onum bi o say. O kasa prekuwe. Kasa mai miremo. O kasama fuwe, kasama enyeyo, kasa na wakuwa vitiyewo. Mami nchwaso na kwesi nimto, kasa regina hadi ya medareta, kamini wiye nti yade radiase, papa fe no odi afidie na to ha yade radiase, yade news no akwa wiye, yadu so no sports oba, the one krata Adom online, some ahodo. Any health tips any day twaswe ti be me na anopay me mo achen
efi am joso
na me bia boko de
yakopon Adom
yami ase papa
and now the last day of the 10th month of 2025 year next yakopon ne adi ye kakrakra yakoye ne mu anesa ye ba be wie October ye wie ne ewura the 11th month yakaba esa bosomi mienu Yakopon Adom de atwa afi
odi ye betwa
megidi se nyame na kasa beje tata edi akọ bada bia mekasa ye me ni na eho so ye mo eho ba ye hwe apom de nso nsem eyie ye nyi abufuo ketenketen fuyem na afa yankoto asem na ne so jani ase ya na ehwe Adom didi nkomo kakra bi
nano be ye nwe ye o kan nano asache
me di nkomo kakra bi wo be ma camp no efie na abufuo firi ba bi na eba na abufu bi free
makachiro says the way ye de enye no akeke
yeah eti yam control ho
sa
yam control ho to the bia yen try ya na emodin so ya na emodin utie na asem na but onipa de abufu no call so no na ye ne e ma abufu ye no so there's no justification for if you are not ko ye nipa no your ma abufu ye no watimi agya no ofie e de abufu na pia free edem honum then abonte so na akokoto ahye obisu because obuafu etim so ye manage saade ne ye wa ye manage ne ye pa na nhwe ye a ene se na akofa asemke seri aba be hye se oba akrokọbọ no so ne papa so soja pani pa che tu ye bibia akra to nchen a aye opani ba kwa no sa akọbọ there's all there o asem no
ya kan yenka asamo abufuo say ade
ya say wo chance wo the counterfeit akoto wia
abufuo say ade me ya so be wie no wonu ho so na dia na anya say wie nti mo me ye hwe hu ye abufuo na basa dia no wapie na wa so ho so kaka no ode
omeso na yes every nyina afia betimi ade akire o
enokro
ye nyina betimi ade akire
kwasi me ye kan say week mu ana say last week ni mu ana ye kan ja hyehye wasem say ye ra epebi ma ha say ye ko aye ne ba ye ne ade no ti ebe week ye mu on say weda no ye ko hamatan ni mu sa ne de o say hwe na nwanwa say kwasi ye de ano kan ye no the week mu to so sa na minim say Ghana no ye kan sem bia say na tete ho the moment abeka no na to so sa
oh no because the season e wom no so you be ado need this season say chia you understand and appreciate say sabia e wom emfama ni moye ha etiniema bi won mo ayemfa ho gya eni agro wo de kodi agro thinking say ye da so to bremu so beto aba bedum na wo be ye mistake
yes ni die mu a yes na abrewe die kure bo na no pa ya je se ni wiase wo ba ye nyina wa nyini ni mfie ye otiwe bibia akọ ye de nyame ase so obi amfiri mu die nanso aniam chesa asetani mu odin ti ade a wodi yes apẹ na do hwe ba ko ni nyina akọ no da bai biem na wo be senya yes re mo ni die mu aniam adi gya hyehye ba ye ntwe ho firi ho ye hu ade kure de bai enso be kumbe wuramu ano ebie no mo pese ye bete ade a nanso be kumu no bibi wo ho ye sremu wo me nyina ye hwe hu yie omotutu ye mfu bebre wanom bibi awie hye no fenso gu so du no
wanom jot asem na fie kan mo wanom jot ni wi kwa monta anom no dwem mo am ta anom jot efa dwem no onam dwem na jot na no enti kakra ne ka no ayi no ade atwene se kwa me vrefa so adum se kwa me vrefa so adum
se ba bi ode tu no mpamura mu
se obi kura be so jakura honom enye na sem de de nya so wanom awie eyi atwa
ya yensan kai ya se ye koda ye nunum gadget no ye nunum no obi nso ne socket ayi be 1000 esiso one socket no ne ma hyehyehye wo be
frama kura ntimi mfam
ti enframa mfamu nti wo se heat kakra bi next packet ti esre mo ni dim esre pa na eya se wo anwu wo de nyame adom ewu ama na do eprampo enso sia fa onsa ho kura no ete sei
e feje pade no kura pe kura eda form
eda form ti e besre mo ni dim a no asei ECG omu ne ni ye kura
mo ere mo no
ewie mo ho kan ya ne kona ba se ya o boboja misi street light nyina
I'm just getting your communication.
Are you serious? Na me ra ho panti anajo no. Ma sorry na me hu say afi de light na e sebo. Say so want to me so we. Wo hu dan efie ba ko na dan ba ko bi na light bi twem. Enye kra enye papa nso. To we dey ECG for. Sika ya
mo dey communication.
Monya careful pa na musika mo die ne adwen ho ayente ase. Na sa nyina mo ho de ne nso yese ya. Ha adwen yesere mo ni die mo. Danya bete mfama yesa ye nkosere obi abibi obi amemre ye hweje se de kwasi twum de maye ya nti se kakra de ebenya no de support na mo nso mo ba be ha ya adwen na mo ba wie mo de mo kan ya na aban de mama mo kwan amofa so mo nya no yesere mo ni die mu 2 million na adani 10 million ye ntumi nya bi
ye ni bi
sika mo die no nya so adwuma na mo de maye no yesere mo pa yeseda ne yenka mo asem ko asem no kana
I said the GPS net air tracking was said you okay ya dey monitor area
okay ya dey monitor area na che se
bebeka mo nya dey mo ye dey beka yesere mo se dey fie ka na area mu na mo nhwe na sa preso etimi makra che bi
etimi di jashe kran so ba
esene ma che bi
because that time he say be a daytime bi na obi ani fia na oni ema bi si so fridge bi TV wo ba ko na enpa wa fam asɛ no o ka akwaji no he o ka isa so bi ye obi say ECG for asɛ den katekwan nti ha dwen papa kasa no wa na oni pe oni mic nti obepɛ de wa
meko ha
na o mic ni
meko ha mic meko ha
da bi na sa director ntime nya sa ntime be mo hokwo emei
no yes security yeah se bi kwa be jam che bi ni
wa me chobi ha ye bedwam on Adom TV. Kameka na Adom 106.3 FM. Yeah, it should be a name. If I'm not saying, who's a color party, who's some FM, one of them, who color blue, the color blue, the color pink, the color. But I must say, a family of 6.
Yes.
Is that correct?
50 Ghana.
50 Ghana. You know what I know doing best, and they said, into the man buy, I feel like Casa be will reduce, but and yet Casa. The man say mene Samini.
Okay.
Better. The man say mene Samini. Ye be di juma so kobi.
Okay.
Na maybe unim say apart from gospel music I na me chiro. Enya nudwa. Apart from gospel music I na me chiro no. Me ye no ma bebre. Enti ye kan say ye nua Samini. One me beto sa adwumi so bi dowa.
On show say. And you not on the trail run away.
Zeo bi si odowa. On show say na come mufita. Eusa na. And if you miss out to
when you back okra.
If you miss out to her, hono you may examine a lot of issues hono intimacy.
Ah you be. Na say what we and I still you be film.
I don't want to have the quaggy. I can say for ready now.
Oh yes, oh my ready.
Did I mean yeah?
So why you know?
If you ask me,
then I'll borrow me. I'm saying, some negra.
But when we see, I say, I can't say.
But I am Fabian. See how? Yeah.
Me see me jam walk.
Who walk? Who did them?
Hey, what you first of all? Say what you want to do. They bring my own coin. Can you hear us say? What don't say to abro we anymore. I see team. And somebody been there when
you just young cost.
Ah, your cost. Can you ask?
Yeah. What's your one here?
Can you what's your one? Can you Maso? Hey, right there go me pa na we say. Can you what's one? Okay, me we say.
Right. Ochina color party no be.
Oh sure.
Yeah, nipa isian. Yeah. Yes. And something na talk so there's a fantastic something na dey back it we say. Anya do wura bia na efie da bojaye eti ya band na ya ba. Now I warm up to Ochina. You nyina ye share wo Legon Botanical Gardens fire fire. Ada songo bo minia na aze. Go fire no pay if you never told me. Well, Franco Trading Enterprise can want to pay na deba. Ochina ye chef fita white. It's a kunim die and ya de ko. It's a sen kunim die. I said ni gie ni kunim die mu ye chef fita. It is sports color ay white. Ye nyina ye share e wo at Ochina na ye share e de akọ Legon Botanical Gardens. Yanga se ye nshem fa adwuma. E se ye nshem fa ko Legon Botanical Gardens. Ti Legon, Ochina Legon. Hoda ye nyina ye share white na ya de akọ. Ti bibia be fine. Why? Yeah. Now, ya can say we don't patch ocean in Soma. Say we can ya borrow Musano. No match how do we cost in the La Liga, in EPL, Serie A, Bundesliga. My Maka Crash and my fear head cost a fee. Now, yeah, the one some sorry, bro. I bet chassis at a fee the English Premiership, the top 5 leagues across Europe. Now, this is it. You're interested in some Bessia corner screen to see the EPL. Now, you're interested in it. Liverpool, Twaso and I say, Neman Koyo, Liverpool, Chufanebo. Okay, fantastic. Match day 10. Medachina, the 1st of November. Brighton, Leeds United, Burnley, Arsenal, Crystal Palace, Brentford, Fulham, and Wolves, Nottingham Forest, Manchester United, Tottenham, Chelsea, and I feel Liverpool, Aston Villa, Liverpool, Istanbul, and that's lot to us. We see that West Ham and Newcastle, Manchester City, Bournemouth. Now, Monday there will be Sunderland and Everton. We the English Premiership match day 10. Now, straight to Spain and La Liga. It will be Getafe and then Girona. Now, on Saturday, that's Villarreal and Rayo Vallecano and Atletico de Madrid and Sevilla, Real Sociedad and Athletic Club Bilbao, Real Madrid and Valencia and on Sunday, Levante, Celta de Vigo, Deportivo Alaves, Espanyol, Barça, Elche, Real Betis, Mallorca. Now, on Giordano, Aviado, and Osasuna, we match day 11 of La Liga. Now straight to Italy, Italian Serie A. This is it. Udine Bofie against Atalanta. Na Napoli ne Como and the Apomso Como. Stop on Como pa. Cremonese and so Tenefini Juvia Boelas Verona ne International Milan. Kwasi da Fiorentina ne Lecce, Torino ne Pisa. enye pizza Parma ne Bologna na fi AC Milan ne AS Roma abo na ya hwese ne no so nsam ebesi akọwe matches ebe baso match day 10 of the Serie A intishane so sa enso efa mame honomo ene ye hwenim se solo ne January na Lazio ne Cagliari ede abo anin ti ebesha se afine na ballroom watch na the 1st of November. Yanko Germany, na yanko sana Germany the City Augsburg and Borussia Dortmund born na nyumre na fe Heidenheim and Eintracht Frankfurt abo Mainz ne Werder Bremen Leipzig and Stuttgart and so the bebo na fe so no St. Pauli and Borussia Mönchengladbach. Now Union Berlin ne Freiburg Bayern Munich ne Leverkusen well, over 2.5 up here. Cologne and Hamburger na fe Wolfsburg and Heidenheim no Hoffenheim Abweni Sunday the 2nd of November. Now yanko the Italian now you have Italian Bundesliga yanko French League and you have seen one summons so AC at PSG Nice. That's na fe Monaco ne Paris FC Auxerre ne Marseille and the Abweni. Consider Rennes ne Strasbourg Boulogne and Lorraine Lille and Angers Nantes and Metz Toulouse and Le Havre na Brest. Yes. Brest and Olympique Lyonnais and so at the abo and we send matches never cost so across Europe. I idea bro now pay now. Yam refi me here cost to Fear Franco Train Enterprise from Papa Fear Plans Papa Fina may come for omo edi actually we now pay. Ya can say ni fear dia ya shase fi metema. Kumasi Asante Kotoko El Honomo after say Kotoko fi mu coaching kasaye. Karim Dito for the first time akasa kakra and in Samo Tudwa ese kwambia so no. Niema mu aye den wa Africa fi ade ba ko ne say players no say stability hu hia tika players ni pitra be 3-4 years and ka be boa pa ne ade a also before going to Africa and say consistency ayadwuma and be boa ma teams ne team ko Africa on betima bodwuma.
Toko's game always happen to be very tough because the same players facing us will kill themselves, we bring them here, it will be another this is so we are ready for it. I made them understood that look, Kotoko player should work hard extra. We don't have to depend on the team training all the time. So when we were playing, we used to roll ourselves to some area, vantage area, and then the cow come and pick us, and the same time train the same money with the group. So if you want to play extra, you want to play and play good with us, you have to train extra. We are ready for the game.
Somewhere, Coach Karim Zito or the for the match of the border this weekend and so now ya can say you know Ghana your sports more I seek somewhere something which is there now my crack I say omun training mo bufu ya somun training kran sana actually some people na bana the sports fund and I'm quite so bad actually said no money diska babeto for twostron kwa ebehwe na your sports na fan to my preference ka same way na no eto the minister in charge of government communications Felix Ofosukwache na the same way eto.
I think that efforts are still underway to ensure that the bill is finalized and then it comes to Parliament for consideration. Once it does, it will be subjected to the various processes so that when it becomes law, it is robust enough to meet the objectives for which it was drafted in the first place. Yeah.
And what is your hope about this bill? What do you hope that this addresses eventually?
Well, I think that we've had concerns about the state of Ghana sports, football, athletics, boxing, and what have you. The state of infrastructure, the incentive packages for athletes and other sports people. So my belief is that this bill will generate significant resources that enables us invest in sports in a manner that yields the outcomes that we want, because we cannot expect to perform at the highest level and compete globally when we are not investing what we should in sports. Of course, as you know, relying on government of Ghana funding proves difficult at times because of all the competing needs that we have. So having a dedicated fund that would ensure consistent.
All right, Rambo Felix Ofosukwache Samoa or the two and so on. Match day 8 of the Ghanaian Premier League on this weekend. And by day, and Shannon Somami say has vocal Bokoro Kosobo
and other teams staying in Corona screen to see the fixtures for the next round of the Ghanaian Premier League. And no to say yes, I know better than papa. It's here the fixtures no see other hope fans complaining. I say fear the and Luzuya, I am away someone Luzuya, but Anna Master in your more fat bichim. And in nations, they're born and you nothing so no hoy, and then Mediama, the Apim so or China. Now on Sunday, Abashake Holy Stars and a Heart of Folk, now favorite Cum Chelsea Division about Bibiani Gold Stars and Young Apostles 11-1 Destiny Adriana Stars Dreams and a Summer Text, now for Swedro Blacks and Heart of Lions about Asante Kotoko versus Karela and Eddie Ebebo and in like I said, Wayne and 7 City talking of the game against Karela. Coach Karim Zito, Ekasa, and on the summer to just ready for that game against Karela.
Toko's game always happen to be very tough because the same players facing us will kill themselves, we bring them here, it will be another this is so we are ready for it. I made them understood that look, Kotoko player should work hard extra. We don't have to depend on the team's training all the time. When we were playing, we used to road ourselves to some area, vantage area, and then the cow come and pick us, and the same time train the same money with the group. So if you want to play extra, you want to play and play good with us, you have to train extra. We are ready for the game.
Wow, we are ready for the game. Fache, we Momudi can't buy a brand new Africa Semono. And he was saying Ababimo Hanamon. This is one of our about Karela saying, so we are going to player, so training extra harder to be able so Bajudin or a team Nemo. And of course, the game against Karela, no, am I ready for it to bring us some get to Accra. Ibrahim Tanko, and so you one coach on the medium for Badwam Papa. This weekend, I'm going to Hohoy and Ebo Tanko in 70.
I think, like you said, they are very good side with a very good coach. And we saw them even the first game against House of Folk. Yeah, like I said, we watched them. So definitely we are also going to map a strategy that we think it will overcome them. Of course, and we are going for a win. If not, then...
Well, Coach Tanko and I watch him say we are going for a win. So far, teams are in losing games. As of Oak, and then they did Dramani, Momun Luzubi. And of course, so far, I had 3 wins, 4 draws. And some attest for so Christopher in about 3 wins, 4 draws on Luzubi. So now Sante Kotoko. And so far, the matches are born where winning me, no draw me, and of course, games need your body account. And then in the move, anymore, match day 8 and talk about 4 games, but 4 outstanding games are about Anti-Cashan and so Mame in the Division 1. Basso, there are games, Basso live coverage at Badwam TV. So in Zone 2 tomorrow. Police National FC Ashanti Gold 04 and a day FM so 2 but now for Bushon Drafts Park Academy and so yeah the Abreu Ochana at 3 p.m. That's Sunday at 3 p.m. Now for Jordan Accra Lions now Kwa United they at PM so Accra Sports Stadium and also so Abeba so at 3 p.m. It's the Encantion and so we games live via the Abreu on Tuber Heavy or Adom TV. So yeah man league in this what TSC Kwamo Kenken Basso this weekend the pa and yeah Asam get to Accra in the Southern Zone, the Guinness Women's Premier League. Yes, the Mota Guinness Women's Premier League. This is it. Southern Zone and I finish Northern Zone. I be a chemum, this is it. Police ladies, Halifax Queens, ball, and Epifami, and Army ladies, bebo na fe Oak ladies, House of Okumano, Omane Azakes ladies, they are PIM. So now Jonina and a soccer intellectual, summer test lady strikers, and the bo and knee now Okopiemo the other zones. So I was to them with the Savannah, and I am PIM Dakwan, ebo Northern ladies, ne Prisons ladies, Ashtown ladies, ne Kumasi Sports Academy, Dreams ladies, and the Tamale Super ladies, now for Su Royal, and the Northern City at the abo in the Northern Zone in the Koswa. Anyone some so bro now pay. Now Shannon Somame said Franco Trading Enterprise ke ho na yede ensam no brebo. Now yenko in other stories the Ghana Olympic Committee at the ensam ababetu after a successful meeting womo ene the sports minister enyaye now womo hwe second bia so meeting ebeboa na upcoming international games no Ghana yankogu ye ho animu ase the minister at the promise tronko and ama the Olympic Committee second bia so you've games here because Angola and Egypt more than if you say you've bit major na so brand na future games about Barcelona so what imagine Ghana name
Emphasizing our cloths are tied together, and God willing, just like we've started a journey, it will continue well, and we'll bring even more laurels. Because every competition we have been to, we have brought you honor to this country. Right from the Anoka School Games, this one, the individual federations that have gone, arm wrestling, the athletes at the World Championship in Tokyo, the hockey who went to Egypt recently, badminton, table tennis, swimming. Look, they are just pouring. I'm sure very soon we have to start counting the number of medals you have brought.
Small documentary of all
these things, yes.
Otherwise, we even make some of them.
Yes.
We'll forget some.
So we'll do it. The one which will bring the school people, we haven't brought them because of their yes. But eventually we'll bring them because this year.
Well, Richard Akpokavi, Ghana Olympic Committee president, and ordering some to Judge Shemos and a Union Bay. Later, the 19th Championship semi-final, the Basso Eastern Region, and the Greater Accra, the Epim Soda, for Ashanti Region, ne Bronga Hafo at the Abwani at the semi-final, a Koso Pram Prama, ye DHD and Dinding, the BPMB, and Young Fan Camille Cra, ye the Beb Brown, Tishan and Sosa, Efa and Mammy. Match about Basso or Air Division 1 Mono, ye be actually about live at Adom TV. So, Ochana, Anopa. Non dubo pa emu sports arena I was ebe hwani atisi 7 me feed am no tia na wahwebe na wiye wa ha na nwumre so ye wa de agudi mu nsam besan de atatao and of course Franco Training Enterprise from Papa Fi Franco kan ho anopa ni de nsam no ebrel eno eda nchen a me kai so chena the 1st of November color party so la bawo Legon Botanical Garden white bra na ye nyina yenhia Bernard Padibotwe Pablo Waima I am producers ya na wakai de nankasa ka kejwa ne ho Erica Sidu Bwedi. Mediwasi, this is Ophelia, and Ebra Kwasi over to you.
And that's Kwasi. Yameka on that court, the Akadeso. Why?
That's it.
Ti Ochna, and upon the Union Bechia, our Legon Botanical Garden.
Sure. I know bedding.
Na Oba, Odo Greeno, Ashima Mankwadano, Mr. Wadam Cranidim, Yam Chambi Bia. Mr. Make sure so Bana Oba and Green Kakra, Elwonatare, and Nadia Biodi Ebem. Now there's a big surprise for you on that. Accra Baby Dra. Was in Nibeji, Amanabro Super. Yeah, was here.
Right, that's
that's the phone. See, hey. And the family of 6.
Yeah.
I don't want to have 50 cities.
Yeah.
Aha. The shadow so. I order a nipa in Sia. We have 50 some in the Jinamui. Den. Timidofo. We
are normal Samini show.
Debbie.
50
Yeah.
Debbie Unyanisa.
Mumra. Ochina. Nyame de dom ye ya. Yes, sibo some foforo mo. Ye be say do odobo dom tibra. Na yen hia mo. Ye mpempie mo na mo hu ye humo. Nti hia wo hono mo a wo ba faduane kakra so ho bra na ye duru ha ye di kakra. So ati ase. Nti wo de mumra fa nkra ni nyina bra. Yenye ni nkra no so ya baby kama e de ama wo mo betimi adi agro bebre na mpanifo ye so ye gina ye di mu e ye odo ene abusua ene ye hia ye sponsors ye do mo ase papa tikejua ye da ase ye
all right, thank you so much.
Enti anu no ye mo ache mo akwa babiam ni titiw ni ebi awo a afei na odo afidie no ato ha no e bedwam e na o hye 5:30 ene ye baye Friday sidie apostle ni tekotego omma near the ayanyum to until 5:50 at the news no ebro ye wie pa gudio mu nsem the bon krata Adom online na fe health tips no ye de ato so de ama ye be phone lines no so e de ma ya hwefo papa bia wo mo nti ye hu jai ne ye kan ya no so de wo headline abanti ya hyase ya kwesi yenko adomonline.com na fe yento so OSP's conduct is unprofessional and shameful. Lawyer bi na kasa je so ba adomonline.com na waba be hu yesi de OSP o ye ne de anya ne kwa so no na any won so eno so ho sem no na fe yama mpani o say I want to prove Ghana and Africa can stand on its own. Ya de bremo news no mu ai ampani so kire say Ghana any abibi man e betimi ade ye ho e de bia na ye be la sulala bia de bi ti no ho asem obadomonline.com asansem no wo ho. Ayawaso West Municipal Assembly sets up 7-member committee to probe Roman Ridge construction incident. Ti Ayawaso West Assembly no on mate basumkuo say they atu edwa no onye hwehwemu Roman Ridge edan ya efa bi dwiye ma ebinumu epraye no oye hwehwemu de afa ho no ne nsem bi wo adomonline.com ho na ko kan bi kwasi ento aso
Yefa Jabokata daily guide and twaso. Soldier arrested for assaulting pharmacist. Customer. It is so you know bo ewura pharmacy na wo be makam ko bo. Nipa no oto aduro nipa oba beto aduro no. Sem no ka say military police assault the perching. NDC super majority MPs absent. Minority so na can say don't come na say NDC folk tamashoja for say chom as o mo.
Do no
mamra o do na. No say e ka de komutu international.
Eka de. Enti na ma owura ba be ka sansem no because Charlie adwuma wadwuma ni enti wo ma adwuma yi na krakra ne say ha dwen yesrem ani die mu ye de mo akosa monko semra
efie ni die nu wonko wadwuma no no na ye so ya ma obenya bia wadwuma no ko
Kana for you know be kra na obi an say permission so as a
that's why I say permission can speaker e
complain but yesre ni die mu yesre pa wo so obekọ na fe e de gina atoto
we na bosumi asun imagine say kutu demu a
honorable MP was if he bonto MP by then so
if you the big story NSA ghost name scandal or says he be slapped with 800 million Ghana cedis bill eti enka ni penipa no that National Service Authority and for the wa ora or says be entry and then court ye de ko adu abono court si ama ne be nemom ohye ni pensia saka gina mu ye oso bia woni ma okeka bomu a ne bo be som 800 million Ghana cedis
enti ani wada so dem na
otimi nya na make dey na enipa na yaka wasem no wajja pade ade bara o se esom be se 133 million Ghana cedis there's no single house in Ghana and na yaka se fia ya ne bo som 133 million Ghana cedis
if you tumani ede ne batum
if you ni o ma we mu a ebedu 133 ought to be for Jubilee House in Ziawa and ought to be for Parliament House in Ziawa
you're careful yeah me apedi esi na bi ye dia na ye di etini ensane ye nan ne nipadua nyina tom se bamo no ya na eme nwanwa because munim se de etie se ye de ye best sense so a ansesa kura no a auditors ba ye hwehwemu nti se wo di ne sa bebre me eme nwanwa o nwanwa mo sika no de wo mo keka no and a public account committee no so moma moka enye ho attorney general so nye because sikadie ne ya doso ha dwen pa de bia ne ebo abuburo ne eniska ne ekobo bosia ne eniska saa kakra na yenya no so na few people bi won mu di no biti ase na obresa yesre ne dem asa wo be help
okay kada bo kata na o say yesu oro sesibe entwi ko adu de ka de abo na yese or transfer NSA for sika 8.2 million Ghana cedis. Ekugu onu akasa yi switch account so. And also transfer and also direct another 8.2 million Ghana cedis.
That's only million.
And now we also 55 million Ghana cedis. So the kwa ye Kumewu farm project. Ewi eche wan first kana kwa. 55 million so. Ye huna chira kwai. Tiba pande sa 20 general kana asemu a wadu o man na wu papa wa bo man from one matter say Ghana sorry no e bed
na ya no munnim se bere bi beso ase ne ye be bo akiri mi de misuro na mi de aja wo mo awarefo de no kwa na me fe no ma no aware de no ye adwuma pa ye so oba ne be ma be ye ho namba ako no
oba me na ye ho namba ako ana ne yire
ha dwen
ana gift ware so ne kunu
ha dwen o bana na no me ka che mi we guys ampo we possible say betimi asi because wo kwaji a so ba no mesusu ho efia menya we ye nye ni sei nti mesusu so
you see
we no ma je kufu but ye die ye nsusu ni
efia na me ka say me se me die se me gina me pese me gie di se no kore because efia say no kore pa sa kro no be we ko so ena under anado dan kwaku for the ye hu dia then ana kwaku for da banye digana hwamo tell me cause me person me je person court na taking the process through ne be won sam pass code ne de bo papa no no kra wa nya danse bi afa twa anye ne ho anasa mpa we das na sama atonje ne kan ato no so keke
serious because
am say fe say no kra pa dia then na ku for the big Ghana bro
ba me chese we dey even before na ku fado adwuma na akra na wo mu ni auditors a wo mbehwe into auditor na obehwe ba ko wa behwe how many years into ni nyina mo wantumi ampone ho anka say be aboard BBC ekoso how so it means auditor no so ni mu bia na because I don't know say it's na kwa Emma Abanse San ya the Aba Public Account Committee and Sana ya hunu BBC wo me anya careful wo be did nanso hwe say de omobobo sika na what I papers
55 million Ghana cedis some kwa Kumawu farm project
and where aban dia na
aban project say NSA for project na ankoso sika no so yesi ehunu na kira kwan be se me pese me jedi there be
the entry court
yeah daily guide in fact daily graphic the bokata ento aso Ghana France dipping bond it is excellency John Dramani baba ne France mampani makofo ni wa no cha de sem nua masa babiem dem so wada enyem se na no de no ye modon ye kese pa nchen se ne ye hu no nom OSP to prosecute Ofori after 5 arrests over SML deal. OSP so ne ke no for that then if you say oh go work no for that ko do SMS so no if you say ngungunai
ya no akwa na mde my bro seriously asa kasasa sa na fe no ko sa wo yesa ya mamu
yeah fact the Ghanaian publisher so into us Galamsey extortion minority demand dismissal of Brem Central MC. And on this Solomon Kusi Brako, Brem Central MC for the Abba. Yes, Papa is Sophia. We are Galamsey near Chew, near Baba Fowl, excavator, or 15,000 Ghana cedis. No, a giant excavator no, at the amount.
I bet deny you.
You best say a bump and four. Mummy and threaten no so.
I bet deny what's not here so. What bet deny so that's all.
That's not why your bomb could be a denial. I was at 1 year to move.
Yeah, one.
Hey, now the crop catch him 1 year one for the first one. Can't pay no class.
I told you to my sentence about for
that is it. You'll be an obedience too. But you should never me who say, passe. Who deny an end of cre. And as a quote in the born end of cre. It's not make us a mess about penny for. Especially last minister.
Yeah, who is
any local government minister. My Emmanuel could say anything free power and son ever cast on so man continue with na court. And then yes, I request say. I'm para say. O this any pabone sem na ye twena so.
Sir.
Lightwave saga Okoboy exposes Akano's lies. They no twe ko the bokata the honsem. Abba the Ghanaian publisher the bokata no. The Daily Gist. 50.9 billion Ghana cedis big push cars packs chaos. You see about 50.9 billion the start big push say bebre na say re and so essence hodom water shortage hit Teshinungwa so dey so ntaye dey mompa Teshinungwa
yeah fin so central
you fit from so no make
the pure water ni dware o
you go so be share galam say na me Teshinungwa for dey dey
asemo nkran dey say so ni we dey serious
but sa area
na be na wo here na wo kotu wo kosa
asemo
nti anu so e dey challenge galam say no a
Okoboy fires health minister over LAM's controversy. And now some corner and a waham. Former Buffer Stock CEO wife granted 150 million Ghana cedis bail in theft case. So there's somebody that was from Grau. But says we pay 800 million Ghana cedis worth of properties. The Daily Gist added them. The custodian. NPP validate Northeast delegates album. There's Northeast album no. Na issue kabren pa 4 HMR treat no. Amanema HMR CCM. Sack Brem Central MC over Galamsey deals minority to Mahama. Small parliament transfer manipulation emeya sem kesi ansa no mamu nyina abadwendwen home. Agri minister praises women in cocoa farming agri business also about akuafo ma. Americafo ye cocoa pass up so boy pa ma Ghana cocoa dua no eso etimi akonkan. The custodian Edwe Befia na so phone line etwari akaso.
The phone lines na number no said you only move that na 0302 211 701 702 703 704 so brave our headline no a brave kwesi na Why we paper men can dame no say no so bus.
Yeah, 15th.
Nyame ya doma November 15th. And so would him to the yen
Takrade.
I was Takrade. And then
Western region, Western North, Central. To us, would you do no? But you ain't share. 15th November.
Now, call a party and I say, Hokrano. So, also, do who do
what?
But to be. Aha, yeah, they prepare against a 15th November, what Takrade and one of Western North. Now, do who the party? I'm sure by now. Registration we don't want to move. You are publishing free one my the number Kakuma one train. Near Bass and Tenso. I want to Santim Potamu not Ashanti region pet. Name ye northern side the one you na ya did not say Asantiase. I also ya dear. You about now to see a benya 3 zones. Grand one
finale.
Near her. The obey to me a diso enkunim ti nyame admo na color party no madama ya twam wo momra simuntem 10 on ya start emfifie 10 just abeba no oh and na ya na kwese ye problem no ye mantem enti wo say time ye pese
agro ba be so na agro so pon
ye mpene santi madaroma ye simuntem na ye druntem ya wa bobo ho kakra ansa na wo banso a ne wo bi anso atumi ayi bi competitions ahodo be koso cooking competition be koso jollof nie plain rice nie yam nie light soup ni nyina wo be ye o pass ya achede bubuti achede wo ho aye betumi ede ama wo nti agudie ni ma bebre be koso ene dam ye be se di akro na de chebe koso wo ho ti fa nkra ne bra penifo ni nyina so ye mra fa cheme 2 pm wajan so ache be me na ye nche awe
oh mejo so menu aba papa bi
ya da se pa wada
wo akwati na so ho ye
boko 2 pm
akwati what's my by the chief of staff Honorable Julius Debra Mechiano na Dr. Mike Mufadankwa so Mechiano I can auto ne banidi no
okay
na Honorable Joseph Amankwa Nurudini Kwabri East eye MC o adwumawura wa boy adwuma mama to ne din adwumawura na mabom abaso akwati ase wo ba green won hye o ana afro no ye ho clinic akra mesere o
green na wom semi no wo se maye eja etimi faculties ni bi so e de kan na wa promote eso they are ready for white for blue for no be so yakra but obi anim say eye color green ene de ko ene de e hye kwara no
wo de wonyo anu ti na obobo wa hena se a na otimi wo de wo na agosi ma me mo ba so na ena Friday de me sere mo Mr. Chum se akatua no ontum na agosi ene 2 pm ase me se ye ko brunya bre ye besre ye drivers no akwasi ayade a 2 pm ehia me pa say if you drink don't drive if you drive don't drink na ya sele drivers won say me pentema kwa aba no de na be ye wo say ye aboa cheche de wo so de kakra obe dey obeko entu ko no kakra obebi a wo ko no obetimi akọ abawachi na biem so masere Ghana ye mpanifo ye security services say abufuo ya ade a wo ya menua uwie a no wonu ho na do nsa akọ wonu uwie a osimi hunu yanka ba me no hunu yanka no so eniadro
ya da so be me na yem wakwaba
ya sister Fia
ya da say ada ma yentio
ofakwati in fact green ya ho na china nyame adoma ye be chere sister Fia sam papa ni for say usinyina tutu a na ntse kaka ode no ho achew nti team green me na me rama flawless me tell you ba bia ye ba
ye twem
na sister Fia ma me fa cha kase ma bibie ni anso be pa MC honorable Sabatin Obin papa yi se wa mfre na won fa ohun message to better plan hu bi da ofakwati last 3 days we ya bi na me fe pa na wo ti sika bi a afa obi ate no say sika no etimi school dan be ma be something then no 55 million no me de me ntia na be wo kire mu se betimi ato ka sai ebetimi fifie sai ebetimi as school dan say mesrawo me say ya skadada foforo na ba minimu nti papa ya sika fa na ti minum ye na edis ka ko be ka say ofakwati said we wieska akismi ya wieska ba fa ni for the mudiska omo say allen omo say corrupt omo say apa na sa omo so ma wi anti a kire mu anti ase akismi ni makra
yeah that's it ofoforo so me do for no pay ye mo ache Oh, Fachaye 03022117017023 now so abasubi yeguswa ye kai ye ho say ade adi ja hye bade yɛntwe ho firi ho ɛsrɛ mo pa ye rap bremu ebi mu kwara o ma wura mu dada ɛsrɛ wani dim o me hwe ho ye pa ye nudunudum ye socket nom ne ade ye yi bi firi mu na ya na hu say socket ya na ye hye nyina etimi epagya ne ade ko vitamin wo so be me na ye mo ache ba go futi enka ye mo ache
amen me demo so minya ba fia papa bi
da se
ene ofa kwati mechia mo anopa papa
ya Yesu kofi
na machia e watin of fufu nyina ya ka say MP ba ko bibi ni anwa so e kwai na tie bi onim say o chena mimi ena the Uganda ye sanitation day no
first Saturday
na bi na nya so be kwai ye no se wie kwai ene MC abobom mpanfo a ekoso himfu nyina o nyina o do mo hoji mu o chena ye srebe kwa ma nyina ni bibi ni anwa so be kwa ma nyina se o mu nyina amra me kan ho na ye nye na wo su mu su oni ni ba
na mi sha saka wansu ni beme na ye mo ache
ya na Safia Mankwa Tamakro
edasia
papa oni mi nya be ma 20 gram afesintia
saka
ya mi adom yo mi jani saka wana me kasa free asenkegwa Amanfi West mami nchia me na kutini awo wasedu kwa mnante hene nchia no na Mankwa na techi ebusa panyini Safia ocha ye first November in the clean up exercise was in Kregwa. I hope say Ubia the Humbejim na ikunwa ide imwa efe na dami ni de what now what dia misaka dia ni bawo
ya chow
o no ku me sanu damni papa
ya chow
wala his excellency Don Dramani Mahama
irazipi ora sepa ofofro nso ni medofo anopai ye moache nana
Senior Legemoso Akumwe
na mi adom na na fe no wa sorry o de ye adaro na o
voice kakama
kakra me ka fa ye koso o mai no mai bre le koso tia tie wo the 24 physical o mai mo na 24 na so ni Belgium African found allegedly ba se ko isi ko fa po ti ba ni tan fa ti fe ti den o mo de ya ga na fu me o mba be ni o ban ba be aka che mba ko e jarma ko ga
asamu
ni ko to ma ni di e ni ye
nana ya da se pa atokwa me na wo so me do fo ya mo ache
yo do me fu afom ti dan
adom na hu ye mobo enti
me
hu ye bato
e be yanko pona ase afuso ti ya wan
e jo nso
wo fenden ni fo ya reho papa dem awo ho kuti na mo so amidi onyi den I share sika efreden wo bobo din so ye no kwe vex da mana question kapa de dem sika de na mekufu adona administration ne sika yi pa na no azda sika wait mu da na MPP de or the Ghana wo ya to watch them to the United Party waba ye to watch wo Sunday MPP fu ko ni bibia manyan said because ya ka MPP ya ko fu MPP nyonye ye hu to them not that ye bon pedal nyan pa no ko da obaya na mo
ya da se last caller e wo so me do for ye mo achen jama
Joso sister Fia
ya da se we last caller wada o mayenti o
me ne ka chirenti mo me kata na me pomra mentia o viviara na mentia chief of staff ona boji lot tabra na mentia kwa be hit MC ona boji se Mankwa na mentia KM Mayor King Zuba na black ko si ka sembisi asebo e dey tenko ogidi e was ogidi because social auditor January 2017 to 2024 tika ya shure no nso mantumi hu yie ba kompo ma president the former president me anka say oh biasa tika we ya yanko hwehwe muda anu ati aba na fuwe auditor January ba Ghana tika se elusu tika se na omuti ho saa tenete se ya dia na eye wo anida ho se ya mo man ne ka tebia na se Ghana na obi nya fa obi wa ban ejuma no dwene ne botom che o man na oba be som no
and no cry, was it in the Attorney General, and society with it, you can with the best friend of my entities, I think a winner because can I say 10 years who near bread, young title about now, my food was pure, which is
that's it. Yeah, that's it. Papa, pa, of course, on the near so, because in fact, health is no, and 'twas so wiki bunino, fibroid. Into our daruma, 5 minutes, and check, see a big brass is here, ever. And then see a more money and shall say, Jordan, dear, most dear papa, wiki bunina, yakasa for fibroid. A man a higher doing pa, it's a map and a while with dear one son of Cotoy. Now I all say, we are painful. Dear dog, dear family, dear, and Dawayamua, I have to say when you have to say that you say, see one or on a speciality here one day. When you're a penano send a number for the top no friend and in a deal for them, say, yeah, the health tips everywhere, a Yajumakobi, Adaroma, endpoints, homeopathy clinic, Nadaroma, and Yinya, and before, say, doctor, you know, Mudim Pomoa, Pomodimo, and some. Tia Ribia, Yentumi can call endpoint, and man, my infections on me at the endpoint, Baboy, and the number was screen as a fat, the doctor, any Elcomo, Sabi, the doctor from Paul. And then the 85 board of home community. Dog, you're more papa. Niana Sapana, what you what say, dear. Now, your barber share prayer, be prevent your who free fiber. Let me say, I see our types of fiber. Oh, yeah. Your types of fiber. Fiber, they want to hold a breeze. A brema coin. Your fiber, they are pendiculated fiber. And not tied out in a mountain. And on I am a man as a been in a mayas and Nabesha, Chinabesha, fiber Nina or the Nantiaqua, but pendiculated need me dango coha, to decide Pushikoha. Debate me a feeling or how China feel. It doesn't mean say an antique, but a pendiculated type in Libya. And also say one of the common types of fiber. Your intramural fiber, and no grow out the wall inside. And on our war, we have Jane said about. Because I open the intramural fiber now, one of the commonest fiber types of fiber that I won't be pass it with me because I know that fiber that won't mean for you saying there was some mucosa, I don't also go out there on the wall, Mimusa, board your core endometrium, maybe Aqualani say, oh, but that's Aqualani, not listening or the upper, and the best here. Your back with your friend is subsidies, I don't go out there and wall next and only the waiting the old man and your shame. And to say, and also why mouth symptoms. One could just kind of then they're common, then I say, they're common here in intramural fiber and a submucosal fiber. These are the commonest. They didn't say there's some cosa. There's a didn't very be a brother about 2 dinner. Can you imagine? Oh, salad, wow. It's when you're quite many of the first one. You're one night. See, about 1 fiber of one. You didn't kind. Ye meaning can say a fiber the bow, Miane, Mujanam, Kusia, Mokonomia, then I was here. Yenjari. Ye real no. Yenja hair relaxer, the key to be breathed. That's a mediocre. Hair relaxer, no, your chemical room, my friend, Fallit. The QT, a core endocrine system, no, disturb. The core system, no, disturb endocrine system. Man, insecurity hormones, Libby. The hormones in the bear, Passpasa. The causes in the car say. Hormones and Ancasan regulatory fiber growth. It is what I use to sign your man, hair relaxer, and my hormones in the Yabasasa. The fiber being used here. The MP who fear no. Now, you soon PET. And what you know, young time trust can. Yet also be a young tree and who free Nini Drobia, a boa temper hormones. It is a birth control pills if you know any other and try and pay who feel. Now, may infallibly in a whole year. 20 mean far more than 4 in a year. It is a bio alphabet control pill every week, every day. What I far, there's a boy, I'm a waiting to develop. You know, your train office animal will no more. The about to us why I said the entire regular checkup. Scan keke. I mean, the whole year, you just can 2 or 3 times a year enough. Maybe you knew why you anywhere because in a month, we may develop a fiber, and so now we need fiber. And you know, Star Health Clinic on do why you just can't free and you be as from Sabri in our crown, you trying to free to wait me a cat who say, well, what do you know? Fiber in you and more revision fiber don't quite new out you move endometrial polyps and so on, and it's be able to say fiber and also why would you know more prevent your water to set a fiber by and I know
ovarian cyst or you know obade who go hia san ka obe yare mpo ansa na watwa scan oh na we okay na hwing how no twa scan na hunu de oh na onim say of fibroid dey scan na we say we be na ewudi because oye utwa wantwa we benyini nti we say utwa na hunu speed a edi yin na hu how obesi a prevent no we treat wo na watimi aye okay
yeah that's papa ma your number no
fa number no na yentimi monko one to aso number ni 0249 200 0249 channel so your branch is in the go kaso a Kumasi Sunyane and a brekum offer ya ibenya na de no abonko
yeah that's Dr. from Paul na what chi mo what say ya de bebre for fibroid ho me do for the number no na frɛ no na bibi kire wadwen a wode no adi komo fasidama endpoint for the clinic one mother woman sunti and am komo yetumi at the bro 0244 867068 now what you best mu kwa modern wo ho ya the topic for so be bro me dey afia amankwa tama era say ya mo kwa ba bie me Adom TV Badwam ena ocean no na efia dentia nti nkwahia no beba 8 pm wadaroma na yenkasa ehuhia pa emfiri ha oboasefo mechia mo wa show Adom TV mu too much yeda mo ase papa meja no menna enotene wa ne eja BK dakwa ochiamia mo akodakwa eja ne na mechia mo rade nkoso anchechire mo hore wate ne abusua ni nyina mechia mo pa ne obosifo nyina ma modi afache me but I appreciate nyame Adom a echena memenda 1st November ye nyina ye hia wo Legon Botanical Gardens to wadaroma be kan ye ho kwala party ene ye kwan ye faso ne ye hu hia ne di nkomo bebre ti no bra wo ba nhye kala bia wadaroma ide didi mu anu ahye kokko se de hyemi upe bia hu me na beje wo de why uhia me ho nso ne bi wo han me mo bi wa mantem ne san eno ano no because color red for ne doso alaji mu nyina wo red nti kasa na enye obi obetena me nje bia wo red nti eno ano no nti ye betwen mo family of 6 utia 50 cedis samini jinem saminio skiri gona aya wa gona adenengago 50 Ghana odi nipa nsi eba unya no wo ba bia je se color party nti ye twen nyame yadoma ochena na obeba nso a e wo so ani tie so wani no hunu ade bibia da ho clear aladi vision aba ehu alaji achepa ti se wabade a na daroma oba be so ya sen no aba one ni team ni nyina mo she red shakala bia ba ho e be san wo gate ti do me mo akwa be na bia boko de
Yankoko Adom ni mo mpa
TV papa alaji vision herbal clinic and spiritual center yete mo nka che ti ade achi bia ni pa foforo be Adom TV ebi anu ati din no ba wo sheda ehu adwuma no ha nti wada wo ma yeni nkomo
yo sister we dey beda wase na ya fa akonya kese wo dey man na no pai so na ya chia atiefo ni ahwefo nyina ya chance se ya na ya ni gie because adansidie ekoso adwuma so dey wo ye na se adansidie ekoso sa ya ni gie de ma sanity se fi omo outside omo frɛ adansidie omo Ghana ha adansidie timida pa
de nyame ase ye hwenno ni ho ensem no
yo bia na obi ahwɛ meda atie meda wontu ana obi susu hu meda the first time nie timiden a obo amje so the traditional and herbal Dr. Alhaji Ahmad Idris opanyi kwanche for me na meda Alhaji Vision Herbal Clinic and Spiritual Center kokomlimli ha ya ne wo Adom TV kase a ye kasa mu yachi nti ma ne papa wuti mi na no pa ni de ahobrase mu e bia na wo haw bi aye kwankro ene daw so wo de ne ani hu haw ade wa kira wu hu eben wa wu hu obi anu sie ne wisie ne wanta nye se wontu hu anamon watu anamon akọ hospitals bebre obi okra wa ye surgery da wa ye operation be still ade ne ha no alaji se ka wakoma fatu yem makato se ho no eyen haban enubna enusine enuanum biaba na twedi ampo nyankopon adawro ma ode fa me na nanom so no mo hyira so ade amame na me di djuma to how ne amane bi eda wo so yare afi utaso besi wonase obi se adwuma sem alaji aware sem anioma nkoyie mame ade amesom bia na asei ka wakoma fatu yem se ho me ye spiritual check-in nti se wo ba wo how na eda wo so no ye hwe ho kwan because ebrebia mbu be se
mpanifo se sa wotwe homa firi so na sama e bibi ne kita muti na entumi mba enti wo hawo na wa chini ache watu ho na mon ebere bia me ka se menuan kiso bebre se alaji ya ba mu abu because ya fast na bom paye de ye pani ye hu ye but ya me ka che mu se da bia ma wa ba mu nyankopon nsi mfiri soro emeye ma wode nam ne nko aso nyame akwa bi se alaji vision anyame abie na ne wo hu ade a wo ba wo behwe aye wo ho kwan dia ma wo no ne watu na mo ba no ho no wa benya wo fa ahodie na se wo nya wo fa ahodie nso a na wako asori dem adi asida kuma mi ro nyankopon esa se me bi nyame akwa nti umfa untimi fa asida nye de emfa mame me pa cho enioma yetumi ye o maso ye ho no me ba me ni me doctor panyi ba ko ne ba ntimi mana bobo so gina ye wi a the location ni number the sound to jamo
yo doc me da se bebre ya so na papa ediga kan ye no se wani na ha wo wani hu ha e bia na nye wankasa unu e bi papa bi na wa frɛ na kaja ne se omra alaji ho na ehun hia surgery ana operation bi adro ne de be ma na wanom na ma wani no so edi ada ha ma kama sanso na BP enso ye ho adwuma pa bu ha omra de bi ya check ni de no na enam 200 de bi ye 180 mpacho eno so ba ye check e di machine ehwe system e check ansa na ye dry de ama omra bi mo bon se na e ba fam kama dan so na diabetes enso ye ho adwuma pa bu a wutie samre odwunso bebre bi a won so sutia na ete o check ya bi enam 8 9 10 15 ho nyina na mesrew eno so ba ya so ye ya ho e bi emfa ho ni nura wanom eni bi ampane ya wawo ba ya so ne mo adura bibia be kama ede ama sanso na ba na se bemba mu pe awo ebi amu achini ache nanso bia yehu ba bia problem no weso ba no na se bemba no ebi nso ana e spiritual ade bi na ekuramu ni nyina no ba papa be hwe na ba ye ho adwuma ama mu kama sanso na ye nua ma mu konfikire bi amu bre ebi de yesesa ebi de so moja no ba entwa ebi nso de ba tum ni nyina no ba papa be mo adura che se ebi timi a regulate ne kama ede ama sanso na stroke ye ho adwuma papa utie mi bia papa bi aha ona na bi ebia na oyare stroke mudi na chini kasa ne ye nso ebia na aka nantia na se nantia ne ye so aka kasa ne kakra mo ba eno so mo mpegya no emfamra ne hia ne samudi ne beba bo afro se papa we ntimi ma emfa ne ma wo fie mesrɛ mo mudi ne ba ya so ye ya boa ema ye nhwehwemu yi na fie de adro aka na ese bibia aye kama ede ama sanso na ye nua mema wo tie nsam ya hwe ebia na bibi nti o mema yo aba fam aha se de na woni mo hu dada no ene eniama no asesa eno ne so betu ana mo emfa woni ba bia wo no ba ye ho na yesi amadura banu ma so no obetime gina wona so bi mu kama ni ma ye bebre ma diga ka to stroke ye ho adwuma spiritual marriage papa ye ho adwuma ebia upa adwuma sem enkoyi emfama awari sem so no ebe ni bi wakura mo se doc me nam kra obia emfrem ya na sa laji mi na ma obia emfrem serew ni nyina no ba papa ha obehwe no ye ho adwuma e de ama na ye candidates ye ni amba no eso a na me wo bi ona ne dia no so ene how na no we say nsuo bi egu enye enika me serew bebre so woni mo hu say ye kan bi hawa mabone na brashu ya okukum me ne mo adura oban mo je sase ebetu e de ba na fibroid eno so ye ho adwuma no so hu hia say bi aba ko surgery but papa be mo adura oban no mo je say be na ne kama e de ama na so hu ato e bi ana na mo adwuma bi a wo ye sciatica bi a usisi ana say wo sori a wo bre ni nyina no ba ye mo adura no mu a obe sole ejina kama na wetimi aye adwuma say wo ye bia no asthma ulcer nyina ye ho adwuma papa wa ha Benjamin na wato. Yo doc me da wase. Me pa che obi tiem na no pa ni hawo ye koko. Koko hanipa. Obi ho na no pa wo tiem wo gya na ya emogya wo. Watu ho na mo sade ne ntumi nkonti se aba ne bema, wo ye bema wo bema ntumi nya adwuma. Because wo gya wo na ya emogya wo. Ebi ho tanya constipation. Wo se alaji mi didi no so mi ntumi ngya me nan. Eti ne honam dua no ho na emu hyehye no. Ni wo se alaji mi ti fatumi pai me saa obi so ho asem wo so kasa na enkan ye den. Ewom enye se wontu ana mo nyam doctor medical doctors anim diefoi o mo hwe wo mu ye labs bia ne ho ya o mo nye na busa wo se edi enti na me medical doctor anim die ni no wa chew labs a waye bibia but o how na eda so no entumi ye den enko ebi o kwa sunsum yetimi to how bi didi wachi obi ho se alaji mi na ma man freme de me ye bia enye ye yetimi to nioma bi didi wachi o sunsum enti wonam no sa nioma no na asi kwan wo nioma bi mu Usabi oya oba hu se me hu ofe pa but enioma bi editia watu hu na mo sa wo hu kwan alaji vision se brebia me ka chem se ade nti se wo kọ tema na wakofa kaso a obebre alaji se bra na me hwe hu kwan na me nya hu adwuma ma koko ya sema ye kan se ba koko ne dia jaw eye problem koko timi jaw severe body pains bi wan hwe ya de bi abanu painkillers na wada painkillers so se wonum duru ba bia enya adwuma woni padua no biem Intimi okoko nro eyen haban enubna enusini e makoma 7 ena maka bom maka kire se abibiduro adwuma yeye se woni inform a wontumi nye eya amamre ne amane e bra bia ye ebra ye bewura dan mu yi
ye ya amamre ne amane ansa ne ye bewura bi ya mfa ye pe ene de bewura ha enti ma ka cho se metana nanom na ase ene omutete me amamre ne amane ye kwan so enti haban ya ewo hoyi ebia wa adwuma eye ma ka cho se ye wode ade sunsun mu adwuma ye wode utie wo ya eye adwuma obi sisi onante kobonkum na achia hwe nifa otrase no obesoresia na aye dia ma no so obesore ko se alaji mitu ase etweme manum nuro sa entumi nyeden enko mpacha opia ne die mu se wo hwe sa duro we ya eyen haban enubna enusini emakomako 9 na me dia ye wo sisi ye we ya wo nante a wontumi nante wasan koda machine so ne dia wasa ne wakadem enipa bebre akadem alaji se ka wakoma fatu yem oba ne be ma wo pa wo mama bebre awo obi ye ko se alaji ma tu ho na mo bebre but I want it to me ma say lab sama yebi obi timi fa enoma bebre papers be no dia begu ho ma kan shira say ade bi ho a be ma okwa ware na oba okwa ware no ye betima siwa wo ho kwan e wo be ma na busuo na say oba na busuo wan kasa busuafo betimi wo say busuan we ye nware wo me de ma busuan de me ba ya me nyini ya me behu ye no e ma wo ho fefefe beti obi anware ade nti na wontu na mo obi ho se ma busuan ye siso ye nyini kakra ne ya de ne ya wu akwasi wi kwame wi ade nti na akwasi ya wote ho ese wutu na mo na hwa de kronti a e wa busuan no mu a esi mu kwan a e ha mo a muntumi enya mo fa ahodie aware ntumi ma skato wonsem na ahye obi atu kwan na no pay a wotie mi ebia UK fo no omu hwe ye etie yen je sana Germany fo so ehwe na Spain Italy Holland fo ba bia ye den ehwe yen maka cho se Adom TV die eko ba bia timiti Adom TV se na eye de je nko a enti no me ka hwe se obi a wo problem me se wo die ye yare wo de hye ne no nsan wi ne cocaine maka cho se sabi obi na wo se na adwi mu ka no twedi ampo nyankopon da roma betimi ye adwuma me hu ne se da betimi ye adwuma man ho to no eye nyankopon adoma che die no de che nanom mpacho me number na me didi dwuma no eye 0242 812 426 0242 812 426 mpacho fa number no numbers ni bi ka ho but we no fa number na frame me pache wa how dey amane bia da so ma me ne papa wutie me yes e bia na frame na me ne wontwehwe nkomo if you trust be si una say sunsumo na se honamani inshallah se wo frame ya me no botwehwe nkomo na wo benya wo fa hodie wo benya wa hoto yankopon na somdwe enka ya tiefo ni ya hwefo
ya da se papa panti alaji vision Heba clinic na yete one more enka no na mamenka we so ento so Kumpu Ghana cashback Sales Festival no koso den enti Kumpu Ghana cashback sales ababie mo den a we gradu o ma hyemu kena bebre enti October October end till December na brands bia wo pair say Samsung, LG, TCL, HP, Lenovo, Dell, Tecno, Infinix just say ni nyina Kumpu Ghana showroom bebia wonsa ebetumi akebe na instant discount and so edda so sweet cashback deals so ewo ho na surprises ahodo bi eno so ebetumi aboaye na also watumi enya bi ntino mesro wo invoice de obeye bia no automatically na say we invoice no de wo akwa hyemu se eja raffle miensa one more ebeye wo so betumi enya mo kwan na wawini TV laptops phones cash prizes so nomni ade ultimate prize and ade medofo so ede wani ensa wo katre na just say ye enunie na just wanya brand new SUV eye car no ebi umpewe na opede enti medofo twimika sese na fa wo ho ehye Kumpu Ghana cashback sales festival na koso ya shase da December bosumi ni mo na yebe ewie fa busia bra na fo bra na every Friday bia no ma remfi Kumpu Ghana package ya one day out so shop save win big call Kumpu Ghana call online www.kumpugana.com and after 0302 752020 0302-752020 and our WhatsApp number is 0243-143-143 0243-143-143 promo yene NLA under Caritas Lottery platform and ADN South 20 Chumike now so for ho eshemu AB Sanso ena Hogbeza 2025 Grand Derby and also Basso Volta region. Are you ready? Anglo Donko Council and Anglo Youth Council and a day Hogbeza 2025 Grand Derby no Basso China Nyame Yaduma Ewo Hogbe Park Angloga Hogbe Park Ewo Angloga first Ochana Mimi ya Basso enti enwa ne bewuramu anakowuramu wo Hogbe Chocho Festival 2025 team no ose building bridges from common history to a common destination enti momre na drumming dancing any storytelling pure Anglo energy na yede sise so Ochana Nyame ya adom enti mesro don't miss it brasisi now so far ho ebeshemu ebe na shanonson health tips and so endpoint homeopathic clinic one mother romantio ene etimi edebro to yaronko adia yenko endpoint na no nkodi ensa woso prostate meso ya akona ko check scan ni free ewo endpoint side number no 0244867068 0244867068 and you may share 8 p.m. Pepe miscarriage. They say dog say went to me and carry. No na miscarriage no. Ni say na isanki your crown no. BBC na ababa say no we see di hu nkomo. Ni esi saade na no kwanti. Anwumre 8 p.m. Ye be hia won kwahia so. Me da se pa na ayi me dog na abai ene tuo no obobo one. Because last week on ni nyina mai. Nti ene ebebo one. Dr. Sharp and Abe. Dog, me mo akwa Abe.
Me go so afia.
Na ho ye de.
Abende.
Adom na do ho efe.
Ade achi dia se.
We dia afe.
Obende Ghana.
Ho efe. Nyame ya adom wo chana me to me nsa afro ye kola party. E wo Legon Botanical Gardens. Color me red. Nti wo ba she red. E fabra. Ten na wo ho.
Anopa na.
Anopa pacho. Also wo kaso ano traffic ni ade. Nti wo si me be 8.
Mati.
Ebo no ndu na wo wada roma. Na before ye be kɔ no dis onya apomuden pa. Enu nti na ye Dr. Sharp aba oni e ba be di nkomu. Ye so ho ye odin na otumi ba. Nti dog ani de ye nti o.
Afia ye chia ahwefo ne atiefo nyina.
Omojo so.
Na ye friend sen edu fiada se dia. Senye bibi na ebie besi pa twa kwan ma na se bia holiday bia bibia. Endie obeti enka esanse ene mo adomfo pemu yi ntino tambia no ompese mutiminya enuru a ebetimi aboa mo ama enuoma no bibia afanhye yi da bia meka ma asem nipadua no egiro no msei no bibi twa ha no mketua bi afobonse nipadua no nyina obe forget afi na concentrate wo bia bibi ketua bi na ye yi nipa enne ne ho saa ma me papa utie me yade emani paye mobo yade etimi ema obema bi ja ne yire yade etimi ma oba bi ja ne kunu ade nsem bebreba ema bi mu kura etimi bo adwaman obi wo no mokopa yare sakura nipa ntimi dada no yade enti no no ade ne ho ama nipa no ema ne timi ye bi mema no so timi ye bi ma me papa utie me awie mre mu otie nkan de enha ho ense wo mre enye kese nya so brache aya ebi musuba ya se ayi kaswa eduru ba bia kaswa nkrofo bi afio nim se time lockdown total lockdown ba ya se mo bi ampie no kaswa man bi pie opie na sojafo na che no mbisa anse ade ne yese man pie na o se ye ka se mo benti me be se mo ba ya mpa
so wow
o ya mpo yo o se o be se o mba ya mpa hwe Mami papa utiemen. Obi antimi international television so ka empokremu to your ear say. Mami papa utiemen. Ye druma na anye ya. Mobi anti enka wo. Wo santi honum ebi mutimi dwine se na asema papa ye kan ya mpa. Na asema ye ka no ufisa agro na ya ye di no. Mami papa enya agudi ewu. Ya ka kire o se akiremu amohu ewo se wote ase se wote twi nkuade se wonte twi ewo se mo bi translate e de kirew Say ye doma na nye kurafa nipa no betwen wa adum gate na no because Friday ye beba and ye ba na Dr. Sharp ejaw ka asese wantimi anya me pa cho nipa ni enke start ba no de dada me pa cho nka anya bi akura nka nipa be 20 kura nka o ma ba me pa cho ye nya 1 unya wa adentia ye nduro na ye no enya ti efi wonu ma na ye duro keke hwa wi ase na e wonu won ma me papa aya muwani na ho obi a obokro no kura no wo wade atwa no ebo ne ho ban enso obi kwa bokro no anakeke no okọ hwe masa adie biara aya public ayehu no na wo betimi eda na Samuel achi ayi board ya to Stephen Apia ne captain obebo Samuel akwaje afiri ne nsanso oba bebo wo ye ja ne yanhwe no wo behu ani ebehwe wo yanhwe na Samuel ampaja abo ya wom keeper ache sa keeper na omesandu penalty na enya yi no wode to on mo ball ne first wom no asenya sa keeper na what is asem we say bida obi bibia a ekoso no entina fie nkase o we o kasa do we o yese ma me papa obi a wone e baake no ma me nka ta nkyereo na woni nua ma ekoso ye ni ga na no na o mampani ayi late atames okoka se economy ayi okoka economy okoka se economy wo ade de be yawo no wankasa ojiro no mankasa wuntimi nyahwe ye enye izempo so betima gina ni pamakasa because anini ano ne nuoma ewo no sa na tie obi a ba TV omom ye bibi obi aben ne ho masa enti no dai se wo ti wono ma wo tutututu nuoma a wo ye nuoma no nanka mbetena no nka wo ka sa meka se woni magbala do ombetu ati ame wo tu amba che nura no ba bia ma bom ba ma ben firi mi tiri mi ko si mi fam nyina me pa cha ma ben na me ye madwuma enti adwuma na me ye no frenchem me sa yade yare senti na me ba ati asfo asa so ani fa hodie se ni pa beto no Dr. Sharp onye bribe wo ba me wonu ma me ye madwuma frenchem yade apa fra cha kwata kwampo ana mumu yade bia no ma case bia no ma de baba mo ma minti menyama me se me yama na nya me ma 15,000 Ghana cedis sam publishing no bi ante benka ma fa mo report ma eneni aba police station bia me pa cho bia mu tie ye no me pa cho national television me pa cho enye information center obi ahwe bi enti anya nkwa na ye kasa kire wiase nyina obi a ohwe bia obi a no betimi de yade asi me ho enti me nko ma me papa every day bia me ye adwuma oba me on my consultation 200 Ghana cedis na wo yade no wo de ba no wo boa ho for yi se utu eskani bia ne ye mam abroche for pen ye delivery se wo Ghana de wo be ba first ne ya hwe bi ade no bibi di akire abroche ne entie ye delivery mo no ene se obi ono ma oni pepa mpacho ontime ntira no mu abra wate Dr. Sharp nka omunyina na namone ade ka hontina nyankopon ni sunsum ni tumi ni anwode de Dr. Sharp abasa ase so ena ne owa no no de oba first ne ye hwew na se ye hwe na se ofira akira ye no kasa akiri ye betimi ama moto de akoposu ado no de abrompacho no moto no ka enka ye ka ho sa na tie enti enye dirive ba bia wo bia no me pacho oba ye no mafaka so aka naka so besu overhead na se so su aka so overhead na se penyankopon ti asfire wadom no nege se yade a wode ba no enya de be san atimi atena so biem me paacho gagawu ga na ade atena so krampa paacho yenim kwanye be fa so ebe de ben ye be gi wo ade afiri ma me papa me nim abanti no akom nyina metemete free ni paso sa na tie ma me blood covenant nyina me twam ye ya ni o ma bebre enya bibia so na mra no ma kwa me ka o TV no so frɛ ye ni esi betima ni antimi anya ama mpacho ye to mra me pacho sa na tie everyday bia me se me ye adwuma Dr. Sharp enye bride mietia no yade no wofuma me si ye be sere agyew afiri yade no sa na tie number se na wo TV na nim no 0266 14 another 14 6 9 0266 14 another 14 6 9 abroche for amode ese ni ayamo no gise WhatsApp nkwa na mukasa eni ayi mumu numbers ni mu number ni 020 489 74 54 020 489 7454. Last one here 050 554 1996. 050 554 1996. Dr. Sharp and Bruni Bofrim Crasa, your friendly Crankasun 22 million or the one so. Dedima Chesa Malatudaga pay November Yachamiyamana Bako pay Yadia November no. Into your account November your account.
Yate you into Dr. Sharp na yate no and come no I yakwaba eba ebetwaso.
Hene say or hene bi kwa kra sa amamre bibia ekwaso bon say ya na afade bi ekwaso ewo honom obon say manfo bi de niema bi akekekeka o monsan ka wo mbehye niema o de beto o mukomkom ade mpaboa ni nyina ekwaso na ene mpese metweban manfo a omo ewo dunkwa wono fen me hu say me ba krom ase colors bi etwagu ubehu green ubehu yellow ubehu black. So a chase saying ye a Homadan Richard Aqua. I am a cinematographer, Samuel Okuto, a director, and then Nelly comes in social media. Mr. Lotte, a draw Benny. Mommy, me more Badwam TV. Why, me don't rain, hello. Anna, mommy, I am a banner, Mamma Niema, who's a Niema be say no, go for the toy, Kawameboa. Hey, and I will see the other toy and Sunday. I know a John maybe be a solely fashion.
We no okay. I am for the for the hard dressing. But we play many ultimate to be dressing.
We premiania. I style kaka wode and chamare say e show be abakasa war him and bibi.
Man I say be we play many. And I will say I am for the the 2 years. I
bet there was so yeah between obi a your hene e dan nsa obi a your him e dan nsa ni premiani. Bet there was so yeah.
Oh so here the front to my shake yi cha cha. We are playing so I will flag up on the streets. And the wounds in Suye.
So, I don't know. Obama Bakwana.
Badwam.
Aye. Nay, a guy who saw. May quite banner where you be. Now, Mammy, Mamma, when she married here, Mamma Mary Hassania at Siano. Now, we'll be tossed. I say
100 cities.
Bako. Ah, wow, Shanafe. Now, a bump.
Say good you say bam.
Right in ye, Manimua, and I may quay, Manimua, and I may quay. Mammy, what's my way a guy, I wait some who say at the tree and say no. And also no, I am for Nana, I tell who said that the Dalmon. I try. Obi Paso to be bought life to say, yeah, also.
What do you mean to be more life? Because of I am for Nema.
Had a soldier him for Nema.
Yes.
Sister Sandy me pebiasha enye
ti se bia wo de ko kroma koye ko hwa ibi dia
ba se na amamra kwaso wo hya enye
ayinfo ne be chiw dedua ayinfo ne ma omo use ti so omo si wo hene na wo fa omo be chiw dedua
ti eni ye sister omo nsi wo hene na wo hya ye be chiw dedua eti ba bia me gina me ntimi fa bi nhye me ti so ba bia me gina me awodi anya hya be chi me dedua o
dedua so de advert keke yan chi
se na wo trem se be chi dedua ya awodi aso amen Every whom Mobana asem to me, may ho. Asem to next way no come a come on a come a banner my handful, some of yay. Game. I will say I'm a Samo. Where the adverts na me, where the Mesrawa. I see. It was all a call shot, the bill of fear, who chrome the crowd. But to me, the but what to me, Phantom Son and from Moy. I'm for the better de Dria. And a year now, the Jachabia, Medasipi, sir. When I'm at your Mommy, where I got one for
hello.
Also, tone to mark and 10 year day. A bianini dimebwa.
Bianini, where a friend as a snapper.
Setting up pa. Where you denture 4 colors and what's 4 colors? Be at me, Frebby.
Be at me, Frebby.
Just a word in training.
There will be at me, Frebby.
Setting up pa. And no one now who want to me, but some say, who want to maybe an black. Yellow, green, a chair, a sitting up, Snapper.
Colors the baby, a business.
Auntie Church, where's your feet? I wear a chest, and I was like, Silver.
I have a 4 dear, almost flat to go be just. Okay, go see that. Where's your consider? We're friend, what's here? I also see black and white. And we say so yeah. A juice so. We say a frugu.
I mean, can you now point na yesua ade no eh
we a frugu. Frugu.
So you nuanom no for atade.
For omutimi se obi etimi se bi. We say black and white because the be abekwa asole. We say asset up on the black ni. The black and white is so ye. We say ya sit up on the beer. We say him for and to my we na ya him for black and white. And we say ya koblen. We say ya obi da club boa. We say ya life there. Black. And we say yes bo. So what you say?
Etimeti ase ya aha de wonye ohene woni akonya wontimi mbagro wa ha embefa ntoma keke bia mfra.
Bi. Ba sa wonye ohene de obetimi afra we say bi.
Wonye ohene asha na nsu betimi afra we. We ya friend say
kotia. Betimi afra we.
Eno na kire say ejina ho ma de ofra de na ejina ho ama.
Omo na omo nwe no de omo de atro ama no. Ti de fe no kotia no.
Ya da sipi na edru festive season so omo to ade de.
Onyame aduma ye ba ye de. Na kopon akire ni tumi. Ye nya kakra aboy ho ye de befoka ako.
Me ase minim se bebre nso beba na mama nyame ma odwa me da se no me ka.
Yo, ne ba me so me da ase.
Se bia Madrid me who colors. Why na so say ska kokko da mu no e kire say ni.
Ba cho ma me wo.
Mommy, on one am ne ka say. Oh mommy, bread na haka ho uja ha.
Aha nso ka ho. Ase so ye ma de.
Okay, baby, how you mema? Bema to me for a band, more band to me for a band.
That's what there be. Where bear my dear, or bad dear. Where you see your bad? We born no more. Why won't all quite solid with me flat? Where's you to me for where's your bear, my dear? Where's your friend all failing? You can tell you feel soon. Where you bear, my dear? But you're not born yet.
That's it.
Oh, mammy. 18 major.
1008.
Mom tells me. Oh, yeah.
Where's your soil outside the Damusa?
I never see it. Where's you see that your friend damn near the design with no attitude.
Wait,
what else in the black in the quite an amateur, and also in the black in the ultimate flat.
And Madame CP, where you can't damn me. See, Adom TV, I show a program beer. Yatuni Dean damn. Mercy, better home to my program. Madame CP, once a t shirt for being so. T-shirts no na da sense ni mama da sense
me pa cha
t-shirt da sense
me pa cha 70 cedis 100 cedis
ko ye chame mo ya guy me ba mo ya guy monju tu no na just a festive season na mu ya wo ya hye entade amamra wo ya guy akade Senior Drew festive season ayana adeton tie atade a wo ba ahemfia de beka ho wo ba dwumade bia sise ya atade a wo be hye ni nyina ya hye wo ha se chow ni chow akwa baba Adom ti
we okay Sunday
me se chow bo aye bom wudi ago adado awo nem aha we so we different we dey aba for frana
we dey aba for we dey enkaso ba we ye dey do kaso wo pese kaso nti wo pese kaso ano agiwe sharp na ba say customer house wa no ajiwe
difference ni say
we ni dey we na for no paper quality one no we na quality one na kasa we na tie yi na kasa koba
we na tie mu no etu ana wo na
sa we na papa na chu papa na eni we no obi won so ope we ni bi
that's all for life
ope pa ho a na wo ko ba we dey e chi fi agi say wo kaso this is what caso answer wetimi ayede wetimi use
okay mate ati sano ya wode ohene be hye anya wode obi a no so be hwadwuma dia ne bi be hye na so ya wom kire ye mu
wo hwa ayi na insisuo we fe insisuo no ya wo ohene de wo nti wetimi kofa ohene de ya wo normal one to say we ni say de ohene fo na ehye we no bi say no we no ba we ndi obi a betimi ahye
nti say for life na de
sa na tie enyo obi a na timi hye bia sa
ba e be kire mu ohene a obehye we so na edu afahye say dwumade ehronku say ya na dwade ete say
dwade ne de ye e be ka say ansa
emoni adwuma to aso
okay mda so
da CP so ne atwetwe komant uboro ha cha so de abuso na wo tobi awa ha say me ho different ayi wa ha say me ho podua nso wa ha eno so oyaga we no ahemfo pende kura wa ho
we ya konfo
mawu
mu use
I am the com.
It's your pants as a conform Jan and the Eufia. What you bet me to be say, sir.
Patron, I bet me use it.
That's a way I don't say to me be womb.
Whether to me be any.
We are conform a chair, we only assume there. We are conform a wood, would you fear. Obertower had this all canching Yamabusu and Sana power be a bemo.
And no dear minimum, dear, but the minimum said to me be any to a more better. No more easy. Maybe I'm going to do fear and to me, shame with the air.
Oh, I see. Where's your comfort, yes, sir?
Patcho, there be where the chair quine.
I say,
I am Omukitani say. Omukitani say, na a show quine, and so Accra minimum found one.
When I do festive season, say, I don't want it to say, near Quay.
Yamia do my Accra.
I'm a Mauja.
Amen.
But I see piece on the train come on. It's a wait for say a drew. Program be say no, say a fashion, say see hene, so he be quite cry. Omoboshia, it means economically no, idea air cosuye pa wa ha say. To me tun safre muna, obi amfa na ninchira ha say. Bra, na bedija, but try dear, it's as Adom TV amamre. Yeah. Yeah, baby, I crowd.
Asemi dika. Inna beka. Akwesi insia. Commander 6. Kano sani etie.
Yenkwa ne wago koduro ewo boni die ye betimi aka ne sani etie. Yenkwa ne ebeka ma abofu nso yenyew. Yenkwa ne ebeka ma wate ho ase on se baby. Baby ne wo yenkwa die sinto wom. Yenso ya fam die no. And see a beshe achire ni atu ye net ne wide atwe en penny for adwen se bi so ese baby amode ye kwai die ye adubunu mu tie sori wakamfa nyira na so ye pomani ye pomani kanko ye pomani puntuo ni edimu tintima ye pa yo mana so ndwie Trobia to na mo betimi aka bi amna haga na asumdua eni kwa so otras na ye dinde o sasho dem refem sem de enfa me ho kasa when things are bad baba so when things are good eni o mind chichiriye enye sem de mo mpipenti ni adwoma ma ban be ye bia nye enye sem de mo ndi siti ni adwoma ma ban be ye bia ye ye be say ye man no wo ye ndi si na se bone koso a sekire wo se na ka trompen fo say hey ye we kira Ghana foto abama ye wo ye pipi na de papa koso a baba na baso nanye nkran chef mo no timi nya ne mo come see the challenge of today se president ma resolve here the next president that will come no on the side is the same challenge. Bawa amanyo sema du mu dem amana fa ni padwie mu nyina firi osuru bepa wo fo mute no. You see no evil, you hear no evil. Bibi be chia krebu abem pa be kan wasem a na bofu sa adetire ma abaye kan wasem me yan kan wa abaye wasem wa wasaman na ekoka. You sit on the rod. Think it will be free service of Yamaye. That's why the Pena Maker said that brim Central MC no issue na. The government of the day, as a matter of agency, here to one among say I'm passing no crese abanam sini no eji galam say for some sikam 15,000 Ghana cedis ana ye hwehwe mu ne ende me transfer faso na fisha watwe fisha du sia dwenu nan etini akobo ni pakokọ adu abre betimi a 7 ne ye it is no kra Minister for Lands and Natural Resources, local government minister. It's better so much one among a year. Say no cresse, abandon senior Brem Central. Meche achieve that constituency. What take galam say for some to come 15,000 Ghana cedis. Ye no so ye nyaman to so nye na dwuma. Don't be praying pon ne man for kan ko ne mpuntuo. me did akwesi si asem ni kabre na adu sen ye fa na se kese kuma Kingdom Herbal Center wona ko fa Kingdom Garlic Bitters Kingdom Garlic Capsules ya badwa so mesra wa da duru betimi aboawo ama ogina na so ye eno no obi o se anase achimpa so anase nye nipa yare ne wo nyina se ne ma asa no na no ayi tititi ye se moja timi ni afusane enu wonom unti no emu asisi unya Kingdom Garlic Bitters anase Kingdom Garlic Capsules ne timi asane sane mu ama moja na timi de afusane ye pa efa nya akude na di agro stroke ene bo nkaye no anjujua de ebebu agu wonom pe Kingdom do pa bi eto or the new Kingdom just say park up so ba we medru ye be man ye under from setting adabrijo bam 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 ye ka ba bi enka Mr. Bem wodro no new Kingdom just say park capsules o ma ba bi eto do bi akwa so be ka bi ato na Sarah Pacho mame parliament videos ni bi nye speaker de no mame raw one no ahenti ye mra hye oje fiem enie na assembly koso ya ayawreho enye nne na sad we start way back somewhere 20 it can even predate 2010 but any him say bresha say kan ho asem ye pa eja ma me banfo the first speaker of parliament female speaker of parliament ya ga na nyaye na abreso ne share say nya sa complaints pa say MPs in tanko parliament and then the same thing na AC and the same thing na AC the National Democratic Congress ekuta over 180 members of parliament. But ye komra se ye film se kwa akodi djuma. Ye nya numbers ko betimi aform quorum. Because MP before they say nya me kwa the fair and came say and this vocal guomu of parliament. It's about one by from 88 to 87 Hey 169 137 87 MPP for so na money. E do ma so I'm going to say I'm person no bomb kwa be count class say. Cause I'm na dey on member, say so many baby akọ. So many baby akọ. Tell no also ro jari a parliamentary ba betina. Minister be no akọ pay project. Over 180 MPs on the side of one political party. Ye come say ye fie mu a number se betimi afori quorum kra am ye de atena na say ye fodwumadi so kra ye ntimi nya nano metese obi ka say en ye yi MPs ni akwakoyo ministers patwa president mama ministers om ye say president mama ministers nanu ya kra we mu mienu efri mu ye fa bi kra nhye mu edi if se start am no atimi apa be say 58 kra na one number say 56 edi 56 so you free ba be say 180 mu a aka say 180 minus 56 124 MPs no more. Now another argument comes up. You compare projects about your constituencies. Then I ask myself, as a member of parliament, is it your duty to move from ministry to ministry? Some projects I'm in crop for. But it's because your local governance system, no, I say, at the minister, no, think, no, what would this see, you know? And the MC and DC, doing Yako control, and co-minister him, and co-print to Madam crop for. Because as of mine, you say your local governance system, no. And they are not for fake. Yanya mamoni fan free form, yanya mamoni fan, but mamoni so free so never. Na kede no bi aya suma se koye e man ga na ho amamra odwuma. Se ba so ne free me office. E koye kwabrani adwuma de amano. Do we need members of parliament to move to ministries? Some could solicit for development and say and say to me akana. Then what will be the reason for appointing minister for roads and highways? What will be the reason for appointing minister for food and agriculture? What will be the reason for appointing all the sector ministers? If so, as members of parliament, son bad now so, as an upper man Crawford, they said to me, who can say lobbying? What kind of lobbying? What kind of lobbying? It's a memono say shepan da kwemu, and then shepan egu kwemu, and put on minor. Yenim sia ya santiman pon kwan ababesia in Suta for about Trump. So why should the Suta member of parliament move to Roads and Highways Ministry? As I said to me, I can't quite. But Yanshishi go up papa. We are building our nation on partisan politics. It's a quite as a wooden mafa. Who about for me party? That's a unyam hunipa. Me feel that. What kind of nation are we building? And now, Bosumi Asui, MP Somama Parliament, no baby, I catch you fool, or be no catch you better so. Or be in one, I catch you. She, myself, your film, and then your Fenipa 276 inside perimeter. She nipa to Shankunya, a empty is so. O when you know, Bosumi Asui, or be a vagina catch you. O when you know, and when you're empty, you know, or be a vagina catch you. It will not come and say, give one now. Wanted day. Or Cotabata, yeah. Wanted. Kakasu, of course, that's it. Take money for more. Because ye Ghana for ye shouldn't demand accountability for free and penny for change. The only time you see a Ghanaian demand for accountability, and you said me what party A, not party B, one bus, and me push say, what about your own party? Or may I to be sure when you can crime function? How do you expect to develop? And what a man for cannot cause Singapore, are we willing to sacrifice the way Singapore and sacrifice Nana? The answer is no. Yen may be a brea, and we expect a good resource. It took UK Parliament and young fair. And it also good some penny ever must say your firm, and I'm going to say your photo doing in about Badwam. I didn't think about see about passing and your budget and must say your photo doing in Akugo. Saturday don't go pay a project ever mam grow for. Because of the partisan nature, we're building our nation. It's in there. MP somewhere sitting in empty. Opa mene, my finance minister, Emra so can budget. You could play politics. You could play politics in Tio. Yemani nyina yema etuma na osi etimi yem ema mutimi eda honom no enti betimi apase bill bia wiem na yasabe gina bonten ese complaini Sir, I'm Speaker of Parliament. Koko bono de man no. Ti asuma amra she yefiem chame here. E the two about MPs no absenteeism.
Before usually I commence proceedings, I always take account of those present. I'm not happy with the situation. I did indicate from the very beginning of this meeting that I have the records of attendance for the first meeting and the second meeting. I decided for good reason not to publish them, but to give you the last opportunity. It looks like that is a catastrophic mistake I made. I should have brought it out and referred members to the Privileges Committee. I thought that was not a good way to start this third meeting. But it's like that's encouraged members not to be present. I'm saying this for the last time. I've given directive to the clerks at table to take the records for this meeting. And please, we have the standing orders. We know what they say. We'll be taking action to make sure that we compel members to sit or to be considered to have vacated their seats. This matter, I will say no more.
80 Right Honorable Adman Kings for Sumana Bagben, Speaker of Parliament, I don't know. And with all due respect, Speaker, cautious not dorsal. Maybe it's also because the leadership of the House want to take any drastic action be against some of these MPs. Maybe you guys are not, maybe I won't take enough actions against them. Then you can say MPs back come me and say be illusion because of sad way ya. And can tweet dada. We also don't want to believe say the partisan politics ni be the best speaker want to know say NDs ni ya want to mean ka MPP ni ya want to mean ka. See a Jew man who ye paid no bit some message film na 15 continuous days on come message film or for excuse you to be anko ye. But so be so na tie wotom sika na tie de kasika say ye be the chance ade no. Na Ghana jumeni na tie fie na fotu no mu a. And one for reason papa bi anko de tie won't me kwa adwuma e ka bi bento no adwuma. Is it because quote unquote your members of parliament no say we superhumans e che ye Ghana for na yakanana. E simple. Wo hwe na ontimi nya adwuma na resign. Obi anfo so. E na dey ba ko ye me time wo parliamentary primacy me man for the same. Omo se be dey. Omo se be dey. And a man for the same bra. If you can't do the work, simple. Vacate the seat. We did your questions here. You for the second Kuma Kingdom Herbal Center. Over the Kingdom Galley Beaters, Kingdom Galley Caps, best way as in our payments. The water. It's soon san no nanwa yeti. Utra dia grow stroke ya dear and eban cholesterol coxua ne bede body woni pedrium. When ya Kingdom Gallic Bitters, Kingdom Gallic Capsules ni be no more. Or Chitembu the one mouth say 19 and 83. Stroke ya den edin wajimuno. New Kingdom Jesse Power Capsules ya medro. Be ma sem patwa about the bridge. Ojo baby a enye wadru ni. O ma baby a ton do be akwa se ka bi atom ne so yasne. Em ya de asemi de kadwumadie. Ebro me de akwasi inse de pese mu eto aso. Yama munyina machemu akwa bebiem emfamra bedwam dwumadie so on Adom TV live on DSTV channel 280, Go TV channel 119, Multi TV Big Boss on say live and so on. Yes, stream on all social media platforms, part from Facebook to YouTube. Facebook check it Adom TV Extra. Adom TV Extra on Facebook. Oko YouTube we are searching for Adom TV. Adom TV on YouTube. Ne follow me Akwasi Insnia -6 on Facebook na yentua ekono so FM free hodom. Penfo atena se betwi enkomo. Meka se Hobeja 2025 Grand Deba no ebas nyame yad ma ochena. Ewo Hogbe Park ye won aloga. Etie nyina ye nhie mu hono. Mrs. Afashe so akobi da. Gabon say yes. Wakwa afasha akwa kana wedi edamusron kokra. Mr. Menyo Emfa Ephraim. It is a cultural heartbeat leading to Hogbe Chocho Festival 2025. Under the team Building Bridges from Common History to a Common Destiny. It's ye nyina ni swadu mu dada ne de fretete eba and de ko. Ye ni swadu mu ya ekita ye ne. I say expect vibrant drumming, dancing, storytelling and pure and raw energy. Eti ye kan allow energy na. Odo china ye chia ewo Hogbe Park ye wo aloga. Na me say grande bano ebe ye brutal. Imbu se ba be sansu eni me sere wada. What diabetes as you de e ha wo ulcer, cancer, hypertension, candidiasis. Honam ya obabu nsada honamane. Wonu ma tontimi endi honam nyina e hojo me sere wada. Unya imbus heba me se kan se o police ni no edru no. Ene edu papa pa ebetimi abo ye pa abo gina ona so. Pebito o member bi eton do bi akwa won sabeka bi ato. Imbus heba mixture or say oppose nino edruna anope me hu ade bi we strike me say about 200,000 Ghanaians ewo bipolar. Aramanthi Nyindam, a member of parliament, Madisha Wapanda constituency, then Honorable Kofi Bente, member of parliament, Madisha was 7 years. We never your formula transfer pay a battery and come on. The honorable member of parliament, what called here? Constituency.
Constituency, Radio Adom. I did a change, dear.
Me ase.
Na, ye bedanya me ase.
say wa hwe yeso na wa boy ho ban nya obi an nya an say the way anya no
what them no free because we say videos na director show na wo
then ya
e na speaker complain no mo say na wuchina wa so wuchina na so den dem say ya me do one for free
na say opposition dey say we ni adwuma dia opposition dey we ni adwuma
we have kept him say nyame di papa one for free mo say speaker so mo say camera no toss so sorry na so on na quick before the be so dey na Cynthia 276 MPs and one is more per 70 MPs crowd they start adwuma na munya.
Well, me nuansia ma me mfa akwanya isi na machia wa hwefo na mede nchia kese dia ma bandaifo.
Okay.
Nchia obibia ahemfo ne ema ne emabu no mo okrumo nyina me chia obibia. Na mafa akwanya isi na machia me DC nso.
Okay.
Sabi adwuma me ne na ese ye.
Sure.
4 years idie. Yehwe kwan ye be fa so na edi mpuntu dwuma edi abre
pandaifo.
And abre pandaifo. Just like now we can winner takes all. Yeah, politics na yeah anamra ya chichire no man yimu.
Okay.
Edi som Ghana man. Edi ba mra a friend saying mpuntu dwuma ne MP adwuma ne DC take executives no. Emra na ase me ne obi edi nkoma na me say ye say hwe nema bi yie. Ya hwe nema bi ya emwaye because your system no is a bit problematic. Na ukopanda ya me ba parliament with 27,000 votes. Nketwa nanka.
Yeah.
Nsi nipa 27,000 na asa line and o matro aba edi amaw. Obia nhihye ne say wo di mpuntu dwuma ma eden ebebre omo ama bibia konkan omo amanto ama okra no sabi omo so make another choice no omo kan wo responsibility ho
sure.
Because abana to awie ne de wona we ya MP mo bia emfa ho say we ya MPP ni o we ya NDC ni o we ya CPP ni o it is your responsibility say MP no wo di mpuntu ba eden ebeba ho. But oba nhihye mu a nka mpuntu dwuma pa de nka aban na ayefra ne say executive wing no omo na 2 million dan e hye omo nsa nti ne se opa kwan a na wan ko minister ho a wonsa nya dan enka so opensuo na wan ko minister ho a wonsa enka bibi bia opese wo de be kokpanda bia no ese otiminya some kind of adamfo bi and I say some lobbying bi na only minister ne bedi nkomo na sabe wani beba nyam kakra ma no na opushi nema bi de den edeko eno kra no odeko no enam say ebia wo party fufuro ono so party fufuro nti no mpuntu djuma no bebre no looking at the way ya decentralizing enema no ese e call this assembly this na so ye den wodi anim
yeah
even who MP no kra common fan na omo tua bia ma wo no enam say MP ye offices no ye ntimi ma office no enyina ne so
like constituency there no
even the office as a member of parliament no ntimi nyina ne so in the sense that ye ni accountants ye office ye ni auditors ye office nti sika bia ese ebama wo MP no omo tua ma assembly
no. Okay.
Nti se mimi hia bibia me hia bibi se sabe me ya ama pandaifo a egi se me chiroko assembly no na me direct assembly ne se we na me person ye den me de ye na letter no ko this no ho na wa minute so ana wa approve ansa na accountants ne omo na yeso mo ye nnuma no atimi aye sa nnuma.
Okay.
So you see that everything about you as a member of parliament is tied to the executives. Everything about you.
Yeah.
Eshe executives and answer. Until ne, se over parliament, na we yaw adwe say, bana amaba no. Me ba be ye me MP adwuma nko a. Obewe. Me ti say na wo run commentary say, mpuntu adwuma kura no ye wo MP adwuma.
Yeah.
You are very right. So that is policy. A friend saying that is the constitutional aspects. And no, they won't need how. But all the ground on one. Because the people expect a one or matter.
So how do we change that narrative from say, me a member of parliament?
Yes.
Ghana constitution man actually Juma me as MP.
Yes.
Menkoye.
Yes.
Ghana constitution actually say eba impuntua.
Yes.
Ehye mampeninsa.
Yeah.
Mampenisi bi nkwa mentimi yentime yi abanam sini. Is a man for what pandai epimpuntua. Ye meso wo pechi. Ba ye nse mampeni na msini wo pandai. Adenti ye ja mampeni na msini na wo MP ne ba be takeo. E kwam ne betimi afa so betimi asesa saa adwen no.
Those days no nka ye nuanom NDC 40 ase maaye before 2024 election na nka ye elect MMDC isa.
Okay.
Nka esobeti ohaw no so be den ebeti kakra sabe nipa na omo kwa akoto aba no omo de omo fo se wu na omo de tumi na eden e de ama
okay
and the president no so ne yehu no one be hu panda for the do say ne be hu president they won't see him. They voted for the president, all right, but they don't see the president. And now no a we yi na mu si ni say DC no omo anto aba ama DC no, they didn't vote for the DC.
So is it also because of the premise enyina so omode eto abama MPT ena ma adwena kwa ese me pempuntu amenko MP1?
Yes, enyina so ne the same thing. Enyina so omode to abama president, the same enyina so na omode to abama MP.
So eti president bonto aka kire man for say me John Mahama pandaifo mo akwan me ba me ya amamo. Is it the same campaign now they check pandaifo ana?
Enye the same, but then na me can say enam say President John Dramani Mahama eko pandai ko ka check pandai for meye mo akwan amamo no omo to abama no sada na esu tun say abana etu no one day na etu abami no
sure
wo MP no so a wo so gina ho no wo so hye omo bo say sanyame ya adom na ma metumi na me ko mrahye badwam a me kwa akoko na me di mpuntu aiden e de abra
na so be da akko de mpuntu na.
Oh yes, it's one of those things. The lobbying case na make no. It's one of those. Oh, say me come minister ho
because
minister ABCD we here we
how do na think say maybe the fact me how na think
maybe why you come then
challenge no e won sa lobbying skills no yes MPs ni be nyade akopre mpuntu de aba mama na to amanfo tim say so lobbying skills na kutade a e no so timi mpuntu de eba.
That's true.
Etuko na akwa akonya pe na akwa akoya asem adenti da yentimi can the reality on the ground and fancy man for say empokra party kra wo power ube bre kra sa na on set me akampanyuma ne fa pressure ne fan to Jubilee House so eti panafo akwan enye na ye bom a na ye bom de egu Jubilee House so but ye matwe nim say ye MP na to abama so nko hyemra MP na kwa hyemra ya gi budget atum budget ni wo mu say ye be panafo kwan mim MP na adwuma ne so obegi sa budget na atum ni yeti menye skade be kwan ye nya ya adeti ye sabe hold me MP na me gi budget ni tu mu no responsible when nipa no so sa budget ni adwuma no eye president Mahama ne finance minister.
Yes, that's what I'm saying, sir. One analysis now, why? An explanation now, man.
Yeah.
And yes, it tells you, pa. But you started a democracy, no. You shall say the way I was shall.
Okay.
One, and I've even, the genesis of even giving MP some monies these days, it emanates from some of the difficulties now facing.
Okay.
Because in normal circumstances, then MP grant can set a more common fund. But MPs are giving some portions of common fund. Say be ya umbetimi meet challenges.
Okay.
E wo constituency. Me say me common fund na me receive no. Me di yempuntu juma.
Ebiri.
Me to hospital beds. Me get some rural identifications. Me ba be start school buildings. Me ba be start yes me there dual dexes. All these things in the next 4 years no.
That's within
me common fund.
Yes.
Are you getting me? Yeah. But the major resources nankasa no ekura President John Dramani Mahama. But minua na mbusa say na mo si mi na ono ye MC no. Wa appointing no.
Okay.
So o megina na namu.
Yeah.
But the people don't see it because omo anto aba man directly.
But I bet me mama for that say when you see the MC here,
yes,
when His Excellency John Dramani Mahama or to about your president.
Eba so mo di post ni dia, but fashion bia mo beko bia no, sa post ni dia mo say I am the representative of the president.
Okay.
And the MCs for no omo kan. Say just say sa post na mo de be giri dia.
Okay.
Omo kan papa. Ba yenye punto ni dia.
Menyema penia na msi.
Edru ba be dia was want to aba me. So these are the difficulties. MP now aba parliament no. You have a responsibility. Look, I was one of those people on the 7th parliament.
Okay.
You push you say normally we sit at 10 o'clock. Oh yes, I know.
Yeah.
Now parliament we sit at 10 o'clock per our standing orders.
Yeah.
But 10 o'clock now is so early. Sitting no now is difficult to say members on the floor. Until your advocate says sana ete dia. And your man shifted sitting time no from 10 o'clock to 2 o'clock.
Okay.
It became a huge debate. But now parliament we no man who say sana ya sha say the intention they say nka no patutu no MPs na mo person mo be visit ministers.
Okay.
Na mo lobby for projects no. Mo di anopa no be den. So that by 2 o'clock ni there, but be no person ko bia na nka wa ya den. Enko akwa wie na nka over parliament. Okay. That was the rationale. Yeah. But unfortunately no, for some reasons no, nipa do na MP parliament ba. I don't understand. I don't know why. But if I order 15 to order 16, it clearly tells you how to go about it. Me nya kwan be ye nyina ye nipa. Obi hu betumi ayare, ebi betu kwan. Nti esu go through permission. So when you went to know, it me my parliament. Every side that way, a copy side that way mean to me my parliament. Now we submit what we call leave of absent. Now whips are signed. Now speaker grant you. And no, Emma kwan bebre. Emma also yeah. But so one yes no. Now say deliberately or for some reason one ba parliament. So there was no yes so as kitwa. Enya is say we declare a member of parliament seat vacant. Because the amount of money would be elected MP no enye sika kuma me na me ka kire say ne pakoko the various by elections ayaye na hwe sika pudu awuram private aspect government aspect and all those so obey elected MP fufuro no enye ade eda form nti afutu aya na me de members ne say you have to be very careful because if you speaker back na if parliament no more yes no if you have realized it tema sabi I just have some challenges you know they nearly triggered that order 16
okay
say you better declare the seat vacant na yama elections are so but and me anya dan amaso and bagwin I know bagwin very well eduru ba bi na sabi o na nema na ba obetumi aye nema bi a one way ya enko ye nya dan emaye but I think that abano ye na ye de ye home call ye na omoto abano maaye ntimi me ag members say you cannot be giving excuses all the time nti ebe ya members na sabio omo absenteeism ne ayaye more no omo nto omo fo because adwuma ya na yesi eba be ye na sabe yakun ye ho amanfo asaline amanfo abre e na omo de omo tumi ne de maaye timi me feel say wanya gi sa tumi ne de make time and go to parliament and then make sure say you are representing your people.
Because
but challenge is there at home.
If someone here 92 members of parliament to form quorum.
Yes.
Na what me say I am odwuma. Now say out of 276, you 92 MPs for parliament.
But what's here debate now also on the floor now? You see, I don't want to sound too partisan.
Okay.
In this matter. Me person sound too partisan. The fact say 87.
Okay.
Our mom 189 no.
Okay.
Does not mean say yen so aye 87 no.
Mu nyina mo bae.
Yen nyina no. Yen na 87 be any chance me yenko.
Okay.
I'm just saying say they can do business without 87 no.
Okay.
They can successfully because just like you have said no. This is the first time an election like this and the verdict has been given to one party absolutely. This is the first time in the Fourth Republic and see that. So Oma to Abana NDC, one party at Mianya, 189 members of parliament. Which means say, 87 no. Sabi prebiasa. I just say Juma be any home to me. But every blessed day no, they struggle. NDC struggles to bring 96 members of parliament. Me.
Every day.
Every sitting they want to me. So they won't say what me police are numbers and then they are coming to pull a surprise. Omodi bill bi ba omunim say sa bill we de e be minority ye be kan wansem nti e be dro abato e dro abato there then they have the numbers
to make sure that they push it through. Any other time, no, dear, it just say president is coming to deliver the state of the nation, and then the house will be full. Now, some you'll be out to your mama no, budget, the house will be full. All of them will come. Now, but other than that, every single day, you know, they are not able to get.
Out of 189 members of parliament.
Yes, they are not able to pull 96. No, to me. Opa, but your cameras are there. You can go back to the various meetings now. Yeah. No, they are not able to do it. Meanwhile, the 96 is just the fan say half of the members no here. And the MPs no more ministers no more saying
less than 60.
Less than 60 because more ministers in your be an MP.
Yeah.
Are you getting me?
Because I say granted, so we need MP.
But they no grant you. But that is not because you want be so ministers are MPs like the former defense minister may so rest in perfect peace. Omani so no MP.
Yeah.
It was Ole Mutala who is an MP who has been replaced. Are you getting me? Although Onya minister there, but for now there he has been replaced on the floor.
Oh yeah.
Until no four ministers now. Make me I can say yeah baby 50 and now less than 50 and a year MPs are almost free the majority side.
Yeah.
So I don't want to say I am being partisan on this matter, but I think that Parliament is Parliament. Parliament is Parliament. But absolute majority now almost I'm telling you that look, every sitting day they are not able to pull 96. Normally, no can they will pick up normal for other votes of proceedings. Normal quoting votes and proceedings say by close of sitting, this is the number of people who attended. But at the end of the day, Obi Bechironi, yeah, upon crown or three Bechironi. See, votes and proceedings in there, and only just a document. But in actual sense, you know, I advise members strongly, especially fresh members now, my band say, look, you need to take parliamentary business seriously because yes, I will be free parliament. You won't learn anything. And you know, these are the challenges I have.
Honorable Kofi Bent, a member of parliament, was she. We also constituency. Honorable Kodia.
Yeah.
How's why late?
Jumano doso. So phone so doso.
Mudoni
I had you cry it. I don't know my little about to be, but I come.
And I'm on parliament.
Parliament. Papa, we. Madame Pa Bisan. Me who no parliament. Papa ya ko parliament.
Me ko
say ya who me.
What say say question in your kwa. Obusam na parliament.
You see, say question ka me prese be nya who nyina na bi so bi ama.
Me who
the issue is me who time ya raise the issue of quorum e wo ho a ya ka say ya nya nipa. We parliament adwuma no edoso. Enye chamber ho nko a.
Yeah.
And committees, no, yaka among the business committee, your challenger says ya yenya no, your schedule when na asset and say your can reach in now committees are sitting on the platforms. You be fresh or mumrano, no, yes, and then a committee you employ you. In fact, committees, you know, high because speak about who more than say committee sittings in Tino. You start here plenary sitting 2 p.m.
Yeah.
Nanka committees, you know, and say anopa. Ansa
may sit in
Abaso. Yeah, no answer of a problem. But the other thing I mean, say, over your offices now, your TV or why monitor the cost of winning. And the sometimes, Okotna chamber, why? Between us away or Tabante, maybe contempa, between us now be a bear, no cry. 1 hour, maybe what? Now you start it. It means what? And a chamber on there, so many things you cannot do on the floor. In fact, okay, I'm running a street look, I can't even read. Why seated there? Untimi fa laptop nko, untimi. Nti bia na wo adwuma kakra bia obeye. Nipa mbe kwa kochina ne office. Oye na wo hwe TV no hwe de ekoso wo chamber ho nyina. Nti speaker nya ba na hu se omunu a wo bell kre nti say speaker ba me in 10 minutes.
Yeah.
Nti that is why obeka say ye ni quorum. But obo bell no 10 minutes now. In fact, very disturbing to officer Ubejane.
Okay, so
that is how he's able to.
The man, or complaining, no, one of the longest serving members of parliament, Ghana, was sitting through parliament from 1992 till now, you can say. So for him to complain, when him say challenges am can one same way nyina committee settings near the day as we speak. How many committees na a year juma?
Committees dosun.
Oh me say no me aha. Committees e dosun. Say na a year juma ye ka say.
What do you mean by a year juma?
Like the number of committees are or more settings in tier e mo ntimi ma or members intimate.
Determine committee na determine meetings
as we speak. And we don't have about 5 committees sitting at a go.
I can say yes. And they can determine.
No. I'm saying that because you are parliamentary correspondent.
Good.
Who report from these committee sittings. Good. Because as we speak, we don't have about 5 committees. Yeah, etnasia a year juma at a go.
CCA
make us say.
Okay, I don't know where you are getting your data from. But what about Edra? What about Enrichi? And what about every day? Because yeah, committee sitting. And yet the idea are publishing. In fact, I'm telling you about business committee. Committee to crown find the way man who publish it. He said the Obe who say in our other paper no, and then committee is 5 city. Committee to be crowd there even outside the jurisdiction, outside even the city.
Speaker is aware. Speaker is aware of all meetings being customer service.
Yes.
Whether published and as published here, whether in country and outside the country. For speaker to say,
yes,
I am giving a last warning. Good. It tells you say who can complain now who can. We are very knows still they are still loopholes.
Speaker will not because speaker can say committee men sit at this time. And as a committee, my more time we try to that committee could dig into that time. Oh, speaker not complain. And if you say because speaker is complaining, just say committee is not sitting.
Because
as soon as they're on our platforms, as soon as speaker can say come na conform and a committee on point, it will be flouting on the platform. In the say instruction now, speaker dear my on sittings. And no na omundi su ya me the committee Thursdays be a business committee.
Okay.
They say because you was sitting 2 p.m. you best start here sitting 12 p.m.
Okay.
In fact, the BI quite try meeting last Thursday. Before I realize now discussion no I extend there could be 2 p.m. because of maybe a bar afterwards.
Okay.
You also know what's your coco started business no cry. Giddy and a young members after 12 so far. And some of these delays will come. But media near Mr. say committees, and I near certain times. Otherwise, getting 93 100 to start business every day there and can get problem. And see issue in less than 10 minutes. I feel and
10 minutes.
With the offices. You see, sometimes we one the deputy whip. Omono ya task omo say and now say no and say we be ya task omo say omo na nam so omo nia no bia wo mra se bedom no omo dia ne kono enti even instances deputy whip omo deputy whip one raising issue of koroma e check here na entisa it's on the floor of parliament it happened I was there enti say no koroma they are here every day. Obey issue of
Sir, but just stand by Speaker of Parliament video mama na the honorable Tebia. Anya na what speaker can.
Okay. Sometimes I stay there I observe.
Okay.
Say the be a very cool mo fa camera no crown to your side e ma public no so here. What they are let the camera guy. One any time a very issue of cool. You fa camera to your side. You fa to on side.
Omo the better mo side.
Yes, Speaker of Parliament. It's just Speaker. It's just Speaker of Parliament.
Before usually I commence proceedings, I always take account of those present. I'm not happy with the situation. I did indicate from the very beginning of this meeting that I have the records of attendance for the first meeting and the second meeting. I decided for good reason not to publish them, but to give you the last opportunity. It looks
like... Okay. It's the speaker kind of say, e free se mo baye da bia mo betena so be wure mo bia no o make sure say ya kan mo amwo edan ni na ti asmo kan mani nye numbers na me hu no
Memoir. Somebody can.
Oh, speaker.
Oh, no. They all can. Make be a
speaker. So I'm making you.
Okay. They tell me, and I'm can. Say usually speaker be room no.
Okay.
Not numbers. And yeah, almost every unless say occasion. The reason I'm can say, you tell my you started setting no. You miss. Oti ha yen can okre. CSC 2. Enti yeni aye ba fufu aye say oh me person me content we continue be 1 hour 2 hours something. Me I started sitting
because more man to speak about better so there. And of course say speaker say na who camera who office. Speaker so they say what so national security be say prompting.
Say speaker speaker so baba na.
But you kwa say yes sir.
Yes sir.
I was say speaker metu machine forward them.
Enti time no dey this one bebre better na because we be say no. Say better na wa say started.
Well,
no edi enya. Enti yenyina both clerks, table, any members in the you not time because natural. See who say and want you need time at the point. Say you started this time. I don't think spending 5 hours in the chamber.
But I will free but a member of parliament manager was session year so. What about you that man for way and you OSP to charge for realtor? There's a corruption charges near the Bubruja.
One kakra sana mabawe no so.
Okay.
Ne o kan no ebi wo ho a meni ne ya adwen.
Okay.
As parliament third time member of parliament no. I've always said your timing to start business on the floor is full of switches.
Okay.
Enye constant. You bet me I can say you bet 2 o'clock. But we'll end up sitting around 3 o'clock.
Okay.
And also hard. But there is nothing that justify a wrong. Nebeka nyina chino.
Why you late?
Wa. And now we speak Accra kana. Although wakakoro nwa asem there, but he's talking about attendance. Or no use votes and proceedings.
Every
year. Because your members present. Your members present with members absent with permission.
Okay.
And your members absent. These are the 3 categories. Nti ono kan members na omaye absent.
Okay.
Say onko publishing di na nka asamaba. Nti eno de onko aso de akyeye.
Okay.
But me feel say explanation e be me bia no. Ento so say wenti e na manya den mama parliament.
Okay.
That's the angle I want to come from. Now, otie special prosecutor enyasa.
Yeah.
Sanema we yebehu sa till the end say 4 years beba bedu. Corruption charges here and there we. Ade ba ko a meka any a party ni nyina ye kan say. Boni de sabe. Tumi na Ghana for the amount. Sa fa somo. Se osomo mo na nema bi anko yi a emra na ewo oman mu no. Emra no ne obaye dan ebedi. We NDC new, we MPP new, we DA new, and a sabe omudi tumi no maawo. Se fire bibi pa. Na bibi anko yi na emra no hu se anyone anko yi a emra no obaye dan ebedi. Emfa ho ne party awe dan wodom. But uhwe NDC for befa to me from the one. What me say ye hawa na ye won say. Nsem na omo kan. Ase me ne wadwuma yi aye. Wa wona make on because emra you are the OSP. To me no wo de ye na ya hye mra na edi to me na ye den. Edi amount. Nti na ya from say special prosecutor. Okay, you are not a journalist. No. Attorney General, the whole mra Ghana nyina no wona yeden wodan lawyer kukuda. Ye fu say they would have been doing more of the legal issues
than
the public engagement na ya mwede.
omoye because omutumi betenase no ma say obi din poto no mo kro mo nya den omo charge ni pa ne ofurata sama ata sama okofa baye edifa SML unu e ka ho e na what declare ofurata wanted anamebo
yeah
it's been part of it we are declaring wanted to the sense that we are invoking international protocols cra a friend say Interpol
yeah
say sa nipa we yen chini nya den enfamro man but utie story ni press conference na wo ye na enora no wo say afi na obey den obe charge anamo anya sa no kan
yeah
he's here to charge Kenoforiata and others. So on what basis now declare no fugitive of the law? Sanema when they say they want to continuously I say nkonfobi nkonfo omoye criminals omoye way and they always want to engage the media. Say be ya Ghana fo bebre be kase oh sa nkonfo ko we de anasimasi we de wo your kronfo wa yesey ebia ubedru emra no mu no emra ne ubedi no wan hwe yi a nsam na wo kafa nipa no ho no ebia na nkwankwa eden ankwankwa banasa
but as a member of parliament and a former member now party what power what is some of the charges ni bia ya hodwuru
well ye nipa de you see and because we shouldn't be doing the PR
okay
because never be what we are there a show but the person is presumed to be innocent until proven and that proving is not done by just an individual but a court of competent jurisdiction will convict the person say when na see nti why you say nti mrane why then we are all with him but when ekobana sa na wan hwe okasa mu yi a ebia ne ohwe mi ana ne otie mi ebia na adwen say ufo abone so
okay
I get me Kenoforiata SML asemo okay sabe me nti o eminim hwe me nim ne ekoso ho me nka omo hu bi e na sabe praduasa se ska bi kura na nema bi kura na nko yi a I don't think that anybody in your party no support any wrongdoing. I don't think so. Nti emra no omuhwe mu no mu se emra ne nema bi a wo ye no anko yie na emra ne obedi a emra ne obedi. But we keep just attorney general ba no abeye press conference no can say e bi anani pa no kra no wonya charge no was say any panidi and the court of public opinion no and so ya huge eno no to me esel kra answer na beti wasam kra no na was odi answer the court of public opinion is so huge say oh as me see your kronfo ebia mran beni bedina ebia wo beka so wanya kronfo no publicity na o ka so your kronfo no nyaaye no wanya kronfo no that publicity will not come by the end of the day na nipa no ne di aye den they was saying it enti mimi fo say ye politicians yi die ye nipa yi die wo betena office die enye dan ebia na enso bi ba den ebeba one or two people
so na no brother Minister for Government Communications Felix Kwacho for subetena baby out here na se ba ko so kan say wo hwe asem na to ne ye no a e kan ye e wo press conference na sena and the same charges now to the court and na krata bi e be court bi ans no a public document. And no, so court say na so pay charges ya prefer against Kenoforiata on sabet me account court because abaye o mamu nyina dia. Etu ohunu sonsoni a eda se ye de court na asem kro na ye ka wasem e wa abonte.
No, ye betimi aka.
Wamo.
Mineo.
Okay.
Any other people are running commentary betimi aka.
Okay.
Ene utie nti na me ka say utie near OSP Kayana.
Yeah.
Or say, afraid na me babe day. Abe charge yom. Nti fan say wa court ne, and wa charge Kenoforiata ni others say. I have charged them with A, B, C, D.
Okay.
It's public knowledge because more reporters were.
Yeah, court.
Court. So reporters ne be report it. Nti officially ne ye na asabio ye nye
lawyers now mo ka ho no we can begin to feed on some of this things but when anka san no a we yes adwuma no wonye sa adwuma no na wa ba out na wa be ka san sem we so in event say na wo kan no enya ne sa no what's say the padidi
ona betele tira ne nya
no dey say padidi
no dey say remedies for her
but why would you intentionally create a problem and then go for a remedy
because
you don't do that
on one breath what I say it's good see be my public and so a man for na hu de cost because e dey ya e be kopie asem ne bia kopie won so de ye nyina ye public document ye nyina ye nim asem e kopie ho na journalist de ba ono so investigation no e ka kire answer wo de kokota me hu we bia eno kra me yetimi hold no accountable because so wetimi akasa pa dia say we spend mo ba ken na say enyanko quarter ye nyina ye hu bi nte ba me kra hu say sa ansam na ba kan ye no akosi esen na o de call na ye nim na journalist call journalist bye because the audience OSP e carry in e won press releases are you know huge since say be kwakofa afri record but at the end of the day you hear asem na nkasa ni so 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 di ka bi san say did you cause corruption ni charges here tibia say me wa ba mu say wo opposition dey we Ghana ni say na ya koso ewo mu atinka be na ya wunya say Ghana wo ha ye wo GRA ajeje eto ema oman wona ajeje abansika na yese yemfa contract nkomo obi na ne dia obeye ne se oma ye awerehemu se sika na ye agigye no taase to na ye amanfo twetwe agigye no ye correct na ne kwan so na eno nti no ye twa se sika bia bia mu nchemu se yentua ma no
okay
oh yes sir we fi ase se oh yes adwuma no oh ye no ye ni friend say mechanism ye nim kwan bia ye fa so ehwe se ade na wo se oye no oye ana no ane se bosom so ya ni etua bosom so ya na yetua nika ene se ye kofa akire hu se ade no kra papa no so oye ni ehu so fa so ana susanso ana difference bia e wo de na ye mu a so fa ye kotua 1 billion over 1 billion Ghana cedis amano enti se mpanimfo wa bam minister of finance GRA commissioner general na mutimi eye nhihye se yentue sika we emma obia eno na yenhwe ni ye na se OSP akaso obekokot na obekokot na de eno mbo de eden a se nyina yete ha obekọ aye behu won konso aye behu na sem na nkasa na de wo mu de di Ghana ye sika sem omanya yete ha already eto kra yetu ani na enso ye no na obi nso abegura mu se me hwe se eto no banti me yesa adwuma no ma wina meju sei na no yegu so etua
okay so when the fact me yetimi are we saying say contract de ma SML no wa anyentini ye hu so mfaso ana se efi se na adwuma na o se ka eboro so chen se ne or report de ma o man no
OSP nhihwe mu aye kra say the contract was needless tanka enya dia wo say
when the fact me we bet me akasa that's opinion
OSP
and the opinion of OSP cannot be a factual statement.
No, your auditor, investigator, may call me. I've been an auditor before. My audit, my hair, and I have the power to report. And I'm sure me, I'm saying, oh, I did wait here. See, for some anywhere, I will cry the Nissan come where you cry. Some auditor, now because I say we are.
That's opinion.
That is my opinion. Yes, and I will express my opinion, authoritative opinion. And your OSP say, oh, yeah, you know why you know. If you know why you know. Say you must have contact with Nissan car.
But was see a human at the man on, oh, yeah, good. Oh, yeah, na.
Or say, that contract with Nissan car is signed.
It's not because and we OSP opinion. Oh, see, that about be a dream. And now, bet me and you, so bet me a catch or say, contract na a yepa. Good. Also, does it make the person right?
Good.
It's not because say, me say, I'm pa, and across a GRA, Emma SML for contract.
Yes.
And so we monitor Ghana, your revenue, your downstream, your family, your job. And you're no crescent, you man, GRA demand no. Yeah, you're the Ghana, see, catch you and can, where you say, man.
Good. Say, you say, monitor your revenue collection, monitor your try, DJ.
Okay.
A day na, from the beginning, a day na, you did, as you say, say o monitor be hu say o monitor na say o monitor eno say bi kura eni ho there was no mechanism to determine say o monitor and say o monitor enti adwuma bi o ho a opani wo be kwa akɔhwɛ say ya na say yenye no because you see these things you are doing electronic based because ade no eden na me hu say waye until right from the initiation of the contract no say what was sign the contract unya experience unya exposed inside there no and say these are the friends key indicators me de be hu say waye ana say onye ya obewie no so waye anya ahwe awu hu enti anu bi na o say ye need indicators craft almost sign the contract na ntimi am ye hu say ba say o ka say wa monitor there na be kire say wa monitor so monitor there na be we did ye hu we no nyana nti say so wa monitor no an say bosum bi ana yetua sika e de amano
your friends Mr. Wahu asam bia OSP akabia is alleged anameboa
sure
it's an allegation but we the way I'm running the commentary now
okay
just say wa conclude no okay. And that is the fear as ye bi mo no ye wo
okay
one we say we asimo ayabai ade ba ko pe ene ye de ko ade ba ko pe enya japade a yanye no we asimo ha o ade ba ko pe ene ye de ko eno ani din
yeah
ena ade ba ko pe ena sabe obetimi agya no wiasa eno an sin din ti se wan hwe yie na say odin sai a eno an odi be ko asaman no eno an so na be saka wo asase
so Graphic Business reported this story on Mamenhwe date no graphics we no date ya kwa question I think this year yeah okay so 14th May 2025 and Mamin quote a portion of their reportage say SML marks 5 years of petroleum downstream innovation for revenue assurance. Me ready paragraph 4. Also, extant data shows that SML services have increased taxable monthly petroleum volumes from an average of 208 million liters to 450 million liters from May 2020 to December 2024. This translated into 14.1 billion liters in captured excess volume and more than 20 billion Ghana cedis in additional tax revenue. The implication is that GRA can meet its annual target even before the deadline, whereas prior to SML's operation, GRA struggled to achieve this. It's in the graphic said between May 2020 and December 2024. Na fem wo ya ye di wudwuma wo sa manfo etwa hoto no na ya around say 208 million liters but SML eba mu no ye be calculate wo say say bebre fa enkwanchen eto mo budi ni nyina eba eseni emietimi nya 450 million liters fem wo a amanfo so mu twa ho eto ehunti ka wo ma Ghana etimi nya sika 20.1 billion Ghana cedis from SML operations here oyeye.
Well, sa story we no. Me know you own the value in it. Me amiti hai. Me I won't also see the value in it.
Okay.
In a sense, say it is now that is the reason why sa commentaries we no.
Okay.
Me feel say needless because who paint the picture be a black about somebody.
Okay.
For all you know, if you go to court today, omuna wo charge omo prepare omo docket.
Yeah.
Wo so prepare o docket because sure. Allegations now we nyina no. They are now going to be put together. Na ye kan nyina me no bomu a ebi be way asini bi.
Sure.
Ebi way asini bi a eho na judgment be den. Ebeba. Into one ye na SML ya wo demonize omo no. Omo ko na omo docket no evidence na omo wo no ways beyond wo allegations na. Then ombeka say politicians say akronfo omakotua omako bribe on say onam ho manya no hwe
na nso akọ affect court no
I'm just telling you how we gradually destroy state institutions.
That
is the problem.
Because nyame adma ochina na Adom FM color party eba so e o Legon Botanical Gardens. Me pacho ye hia anopa no ndu pepepe samini ejina mu nipa nsia si twa 50 Ghana cedis. Na ne wo edon kra say ye be sa to dame oh honom. Etuji woni se unim dame pa etua mesre wada ochina yenhia e o Legon Botanical Gardens e ba sie ya beto aso bedwam nie esa wa kwa babiem emfa mra bedwam dwumade so na emfa happy birthday of my brains Papa Kwabna Oforikuma Owo class 3 Ewo Incarnate Word Preparatory School Mantukwa in Sunyane ene enwenya 8 years we free o Papa Christopher Oforikuma o maame onnuanu mu nyina onamfo nyina se ye we show happy birthday Nyankopon tonkoso entonsupa engu obra oboso na ensi wiyenso so on abente then so between I don't fancy gay bill ne lesbianism bill and Ministry of Health and a data system many me mudi here befa we forget no say am say president mama so be sign
bill no
na say be year
there be ne say be year say in fact as it's now me I'm on the business committee there's a discussion we ask to say president beat me e dia ayen fofora na say the wo ho na yetimi eto aso we have had a discussion here way out when we need make us okay yes say omo ye bill no ko draw president enim president dada enim one sign it parliament that parliament na ye mra sa mra e say sa bill no agu yemra mu no say parliament e bibi sa na ntimi wi e say that's the parliament for about so no so SI
boy
in fact we were looking at constitution at committee level I say sa bill we qualify say ye ja to homa foforo eba ana say e betimi ato us because here in parliament die ye ya form die wie parliament na ho no o ye na form dina die wie e na kodru president anim to constitution no it may affect parliament aduma o ye wie no ana say parliament the we need the president no na anya ne the enti yen fee say a free parliament presidency what does the constitution also say could do presidency ana wana yenya lakuna enti ye say new one na ban kra no we say we yes start here in fact we're going to bring it na sa discussion see aba say can we start a new one and I say old one no the new president current president ebetimi atwa so aye de ne predecessor anye ana say ono so e de ne build
so in the books of parliament mo transmit the old bill no echo Jubilee House
yes
so oko parliament books mo there's nothing like LGBTQ bill be one was a parliament e consider
good
it the commodity be on mo or say Jubilee House and responding because parliament there ya dispatch ya hurensa e dey free say ye 8 say 9 say 10 parliament ye nim ho hwe bi say e Jubilee House no so mudi ho asem enye sa etini kwa say parliament for kra e discuss bi
that is one view ko obi nso a kire say the then president so ade no ban ho na no so wo say obi e de no court say ade no kra o receive a enye yie enti say
say in the books of parliament there's nothing like LGBTQ plus bill on your table ana me boy
new one saba
there be new one aba old one na ye kan was me see e say ye mo anwie e na parliament ni wo di a ye be ka say djuma mo ye mo anwie fo fra but ye funtum ni nyina amfra but this time ye kan was me die ye wi tie say free ho so be no was a parliament ka wo ho biem they are say Jubilee House na taking a decision on it and yes
sir
they are not difficult
difficult in my church me say obi a raise 3 issues the second one is say first one we can kill it because here me I'm of that opinion say the then parliament 18 and sir if you
okay
second one second school of thought for say the then president no so actually say obi a pursue you say onu kra wontimi en receive sa bill no oni kwan e ma sem no ko the entire president ubeka wontimi anya ho adwuma so obi e de no kokko say bo hwe ye na sa de no kra
the parliament sa receive a bill on the back
with the mami ko process no na I'm on the committee
but what let me just say omo de ko na Jubilee House omo nye no parliament sa receive a bill on the back na
then the third school for no kra say Can a parliament with a sitting president pass a bill and then a different parliament's president come to sign it? Say, parliament tonight passes a bill. The president, Nana Akufo-Addo. Only the parliament in echo. Parliament for Abba. The parliament that no more year. This parliament for now about then the president for Abba. The president miss signing the old parliament.
Say here is Sadia. Say because here Obi bisa Sadia. They mean say be any
These are things we are discussing.
Then Pakuno want the continuous governance system na here run as because what a continuous governance system na here run as ya. President Mama buying. Say Ghana ne IMF deal no. Want me mama twem ene all because of na go fa na asan ato. So what I say?
The papa the one year woman. The okay deal is a concluded sealed deal. It's a idea. The idea bill no call ya ko see sir president assign. They say we mo do menye to
parliament discussion be any more
issues now me raising. You know me I'm telling you say we're going to table the new one. Because from that school of thought,
baby, I'm the name of the when you raise some more deal with
no. But you know the president, no, because I'm telling you, the president. Aka say no so he wanted to modify
Obiaka from Professor University ABC.
Don't worry, you will get them.
Oba konkoma kasamua. Yaka bibi say OPU you na aboma mambo.
Okay.
OPU you na aboma mambo. Chese antoa da. Antoa da. Na wada. Sawate. What the way all kasa? Osi nentia. Na Akufo-Addo antimi ansan no.
Okay.
Obi di na court. O kasa wo constituency before 2024 election. Ankasa. O say Addo omuji trumu entina one sign but I never when okay but and ask you now we say you are very unfair na me person oti ase say His Excellency John Dramani Mahama
okay
no nye candidate keke
okay
no your former president
okay
and o say o share clergy ofre o akukuda o say me ba me sign
but I say madam a member of parliament Malaysia what can that constituency
said na man here me no kuno enu bi na we
but so you be see na ya beto so adum ka bom ku ebre na edu so you be see me do say
e wakale baya okay subaya e wakale baya e okay subaya ensemble Abemwe onyame bosheno abemwe onyame bosheno abemwe onyame bosheno abemwe onyame bosheno dance, shake your home, yasa, woso home. Classic lady, beauty with class.
Okay. We simple. Any identification be here. Be the question say I catch we fear be here dra. Adom nkabom embre ekuo. Wona aka won abom se be boaboa ye ho ye frechichi ne benche na be hye wo enkrai. Ya be hye Kumasi, ya be hye Otakrade. Ye nka humom se na be o kine bi to ye na ye benya obi de ho ato ne so aka se oh se me call classic lady ho ne mu a as a member metimi anyamwa ya be classic lady
we rock
classic ladies
we rock
classic ladies
beauty with class
eyekomea
Pacho eyekwa ye wo kwa benya opposite KFC girls page ye leader no ehɔ na owo ti ehɔ na ye nyina ye ti ene ya sehye na eye emaku a ye bobo ye ho a enye ye ho nko a ye de kɔ abonten emanyanka last 2 months ye kɔ children's home wo kɔ abenya ekoma omonyoma kama ye kɔ hospitals ye boaboa omo onibie ye kɔ baby say ye kɔ baby na sese ho nye eyi a ehonya ahomka yetimi tete gatamu esiesie ye fa kwa bonten ko ano ye sensiesie ye fie ye kunim ne ya wawe mu ya ware no ne ye ware a ye twempene mu odin no ye de siesie fie ehwe ye busua eti classic de ye botai ne say ye bebo ye ho na akwa bonten na so obi a oni bie so
eti leader ba mi say who na betimi join classic ladies
ye share the betimi join ni eye me eni yeyin ayigina he eni obi a oye adwuma na butai bi woni ni so se daachi opese obo ne homodin as oba enye be ma na be boa na nsa na wedum pempen so
okay nti boa se na watene we enye me ma asem fa homedom we ye manko a okay eti wa no so ye oba a oye adwuma
yes
also ye oba character trait bi wo ho mu a mo trace hu se ada bi oba we die ni suban ensen fatenti o man be kan ekuno obesai ye dodo mu yele na me ya check saade ni
me pa cho se u be mu a first of all ni organizer ebe ene obekasa ye wi a ye be hwe usu obu ho kwampo de ni suban betete ba obako ni mu a ne ye obetimi kura fa numbers afrefre chire na ye hu se sa nipa we ontimi mu obu ho so oye lazy sie ko be bi a ye hwe ne ye I so onka ne ho a that means ni ontimi fedru ekuro no endru seni ye ne pese edru ni
etine pese mba na bejo ne ekue na memeti mo kra kire ne nyina mede
ye beji bebia wo udin bebia wo fi ejuma ko potia wo ye
okay
nsa na etimi ajoin no ene no so kra no from ebia 18 years because obi say no Ghana ha no unya 18 years kra na utimi ede eye ejuma awa utimi editua ho ka ayakwa kodu ti say 45 because ye mpese be ya de a obeba na ubru leader so na leader ka asem a utimi entie
okay eti ma me hwe ade we nso se meye kwoni me asantini me free zamrama me free other part of the country na person me join ekona ekonya ho anasa mo de se wonye agbenim kwa ho ntimi join
pache wa no eyi frafra ni wa
okay
dangba ni wa we oyedagati ni me ya chimni
okay
aigbefuo wom
okay
fantifuo wom ye frimremra bebre even kwanya Ghana abrochefo so wo ho
okay
mo join ku Kumasi takrade ye doso ye almost 75 members
okay
ana ye join ku enye particular tribe bi ansana wetimi ajoin ye gi obia classic mu de obia ye nua ye fa obia se ye yan ye de mu
okay timu de open to Ghana ni bia oba yeah from 18 years
ekosi 45
yeah oda suban pedi
yes
number me bet me afro so
number bet me afro 054146
nyamtre hey yes but I number
okay number no 0541 46 81 86 and answer say 0541
okay
42 9603
classic ladies
we rock
classic ladies
we rock
classic ladies
beauty with class
pastor mo jama last one yensire kwanko mo jama last one ja yensire kwanko
vice my jama no ne enko
okay you see how the classic lady am say am go nyame ya ba fia so yes I dey share ebie yakra
abana disi promo be say dano jordan dano dadano dano dadano e dano dadano be say dano dadano be say dano dadano be say dano eh drive it to Kumasi chimi so me mo love bye Kumasi chimi mame to Tobwasi chime. Mr. Tobwasi chime chime. Tobwasi chime. Somi mo bidova. Tobwasi chime. Beme tobu chime. Tobwasi chime. Hey baby. Tobwasi chime. Tobwasi chime chime. Tobwasi chime. Somi mo bidova. Tobwasi chime. Beme tobu chime. Tobwasi chime. Hey. Hey, 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 no, hey, 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 bonsam, say bonsam, bonsam. I said that, 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 you nyamene, I said that, you nyamene. I say that on your meaning, me to me kadia waya mami. Oh, I say that on your meaning, I say that on your meaning, I say that on your meaning, me to me kadia waya mami. Adia waya, mo adia waya mami. Mo adia waya mami. Mo mami, me to me adia waya mami. Listen, mo, adia waya mami. Mo, adia waya mami. Mo, adia waya mami. Me to me adia waya mami. Me pam chow, yes, number ni subie. Where classic ladies from Kwabenya. KFC opposite girls page number nune 0541 468186 and now to say 0541 429603. Yeah, we love you all. Say cheese. Cheese.